My bitch a choosy lover, never fuck without a rubber. Never in the sheets like it on top of the cover. Money on the dresser, drive a compressor. Top notch hoes get the most, not the lesser. Trash like the buck for $40 in the club. Fucking up the game, bitch, it gets no love. She be cross country, giving all that she got. 1,000 a pop, I'm pulling business off the lot. I smashed up the gray one, bought me a red. Every time we hit the parking lot, we turn head. Some hoes wanna choose, but them bitches too scary. Your bitch chose me, you ain't a pimp, you a fairy.
A pimp, not a simp. A pimp, not a simp. A pimp, not a simp. We eat so many shrimp. I got iodine poisoning.
Baby, you been rolling solo, time to get down with the team. The grass is greener on that other side. If you know what I mean, I show you shit you never seen. The 7 wonders of the world. And I can make you the 8th if you wanna be my girl. I say my girl, I don't mean my woman, that ain't my style. Need a real street stalker to walk a green mile. Be piling up the paper on the dining room table, cause you able to realize I'm the truth and not a fable. Baby, rockin' Russian sable, keep that chiller on the rack. What I look like with some $1,000 shit up on my back. I'm $1 million man, they need $1 billion bitch. Put my pimpin' in your life, watch your daddy get rich. Easy as ABC, simple as 1, 2, 3. Get down with UGK, Pimp CBU with B. Cause what's a hoe with no pimp, and what's a pimp with no hoe? Don't be a lame, you know the game and how it goes. We try to get chose.
A pimp, not a simp. A pimp, not a simp. A pimp, not a simp. We eat so many shrimp. I got iodine poisoning.
Hello, hello. Hi. Hold on, I'm getting there. Hi. Hi, everybody. It is Artie of Artie's Corporate Fiction. How you guys doing? I think we're going to have a good one today. We're going to take a look at a Moorish hearing, apparently complete with a public gallery, a public fan base behind them. So it should be a lot of fun. I'm also going to be taking a few notes. I'm going to be doing a video for with Jester. We're going to be doing like a recording. It's not going to be live. We're going to be recording a live stream of, excuse me, not recording a video, not a live stream. Goodness, I can't talk. About sovereign citizens in general. And how they operate. So like kind of going in, yeah, basically SovCit 101, from jurisdiction, where they came from, say podcast. Yeah, true. We'll be doing a podcast, recording a podcast on sovereign citizens, their origins, their motivations, all that good stuff. So it'll be fun. I know, Thea. I know India attacked Pakistan. What do you want to do? They've been at each other's throats for 50 plus 60 years. They've done a lot of saber rattling, but maybe this may not be the saber rattling. This may be the real thing. And yeah, God help us all, because we've got 2 nuclear powers trading blows. So, yay. It's a good thing we have good leadership in this country at the worst of times. Ugh. But I don't want to get into that. Anyway. True. Why should Putin have all the fun? So we're going to go right into this. This is out of Lakewood, Washington. Oh, God, where'd it go? I gave the... the kids some treats that are currently Artie's Corporate Fiction attacked Pakistan. No, I do not have the nuclear capability, nor do I give a damn about Pakistan at this current moment in time. So, all right. Let's see how this thing operates. Thank you, guys. I just got back from work, so and after this, I'm gonna be making some dinner.
I'm a Moroccan diplomat. which
Oh, boy.
implies that I don't fall under that jurisdiction.
And Mr. Harper, it appears, let's take a look here. Looks like you received an infraction for exceeding the
Speeding at
posted
a
speed
plate
limit in
frame.
a school zone and also having an illegible or obscured license plate on your vehicle on February 4th, 2025. You've responded to the issuance of those infractions by requesting a contested hearing. Is that correct?
My license suspended?
No.
Oh, okay.
No, I just wanted to make sure those were the two infractions that were issued. I just wanted to make sure that was your understanding of why you're before the court.
Okay.
Okay, and you've requested a contested hearing of those infractions. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm
Okay.
going to begin by reviewing the police report. I'm then going to swear you in and give you an opportunity to provide your testimony, okay? So give me 1 second while I review the officer's report. All right,
Okay.
and the court has reviewed the report of Officer Brian Danley. Mr. Harper, is there testimony you would like to provide regarding the issuance of the infractions in this case? Servant, as you raise your right hand, do you swear and affirm that any testimony you offer will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? All right, sir, go ahead. What is your testimony regarding the issuance of these infractions?
Let me see. I left home and I turned down the street where that Catholic school is, wherever that school is, right over here. I may have ran about a corner a little fast because there was some cars approaching. Okay, I'll bite the bullet for that. But as I'm going down the road, I don't know how long that the officer was behind me, but when I get to the light, I finally see him pulling up. He wasn't already behind me, he was pulling up. And as I turned in the corner at the light, he hit his lights. So I'm hearing impaired. I get out of my car to that police officer, whoever. No. First thing he says, get back in your car. I said, no, I'm getting back in my car. I'm hearing impaired. I'm not going to miss something you say. So it started from that. And I'm going to tell you the truth. He started.
Okay, so that's not the best thing to do. Is get out of your car at the moment of a stop. No, you don't want to do that. If you're saying that you're hearing impaired, I mean, I imagine the officer could probably like lean in close to you at the window. I don't know. This doesn't sound like you're at a highway, so I don't know if there's going to be an issue with noise, but okay.
To put his hand on his gun. I told him, don't do it with me. I don't play that. I'm not going to say what I said. I said, but I don't play that. Don't do it. And he attempted, and I let him know I don't play it. And I wasn't going to play it, so I'm going to tell you the truth. I don't have no problem with police, but when he went like that, that's my problem. Evidently, he didn't like what I was saying to him. I'm telling him, I'm hearing impaired, whatever he doesn't like, that's your problem, not mine, but you're not going to put your hand on your gun with me. And I'm definitely not going to go for it. He called other people. They came or whatever, gave him my ticket. You're going to try and tell me, oh, you can go. I looked at him like, are you crazy? I cursed him out. I ain't gonna lie.
Okay.
I'm not your kid. You're not going to talk to me like that. I'm a grown man just like you're a grown man. You can't respect me, I'm not going to respect you. That's how I am, sir. And I'm from the South. I know what it is to respect. I know all that. But when they get that gun in that bag, some of them, they let it go to their head. I don't. I'm going to give you respect. If you disrespect me, I'm going to disrespect you. And that's what it was. It was a lot of disrespect. Evidently, he thought he was bigger than me because he had that. You're not. You're a human being just like I am. You bleed just like I bleed.
Man, I would really love to see the body cam footage if it exists.
And that's what it was. He didn't like the way I came. He thought I probably was going to, excuse my language, punk down or whatever, but I didn't. I stood my ground. I'm not going to let, just because you got a gun in the badge, I'm not going to do it. I'm sorry, but that's not, sir. I've been through too. I just lost my wife. She committed suicide on Easter.
Oh my God.
So there's a lot of things that go, and I don't need that stuff like that. And at this time, that didn't happen, but it was things going on. I tried to be cordial. When I got out of my car, I'm hearing impaired. I'm hearing impaired. You say something to me, I'm going to miss. And I'm not going to, by you saying something to me, I miss it, I go to jail. And that's what happened. For me, that's what happened. I don't know what he put in his report. I don't know. But that's what I did. Like I said, I may have been speed. I'll bite the bullet for that. But if he put something else in that report, I'll fight it till the day I die.
Yeah, and Mr. Danley, I'll
What
tell
is
you,
with the
or Mr.
giggle?
Harper,
It's
excuse me,
weird.
I'll tell you, there's There's none of that in the report. The only thing that's in the report is him saying he
So my
saw.
whole point is, I'm not trying to interrupt you.
Okay.
I know I turned the corner, okay?
Yeah.
Now, if I went through that street fast like that, why did he just not come up behind me when I got to that light?
Yeah.
And then I looked in my mirror. I seen he was approaching me and he got behind me. Then he hit his lights as I turned to their Wendy's. And
Yeah.
he stopped me in that parking lot.
What about the, you were also cited for having an obstructed license plate. Tell me about the license plate cover on your vehicle. Does it make it?
That was taken off. I took that off my car because I didn't want no more problem. Now that's taken off, okay?
Okay.
So I knew that because I know it's a secondary offense, but if they stop you, they can get you for it.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know,
Okay.
It's like I got stopped by Pierce County Sheriff, but they never brought that part up. But each precinct and all that is different.
But you've taken care of that. You've taken that off.
The license plate coverage.
Okay. All right.
But it's off my car.
Okay.
So I don't.
Okay. All right. So here's the situation I have, Mr. Harper. I think that based on the speed measuring device, the radar gun, it looks like they have you speeding in a school zone. I've got no reason to doubt the accuracy of that speed measuring device, especially based on your testimony. So I think that the city has met its burden of proving that infraction by preponderance of the evidence. Because you have rectified the issue of the license plate cover, I'm going to go ahead and dismiss that infraction at this time. So I'll find that the speeding infraction is committed, but I'll go ahead and dismiss the license plate infraction at this time. Okay. Okay. And Mr. Harper, I assigned that order. Sir, you can come forward and we'll get you a copy of it. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for being here. Amari Zion McCrary Bay.
So, okay. So we just heard, I guess this is like a compare and contrast, like comparing a bog standard non-sovereign citizen encounter versus the batshit crazy we're about to experience.
Islam, Your Honor. Grand rising to you as well.
Islam.
Good morning. You are Amari Zion McCrary Bay.
Sir.
Good morning. Go ahead and have a seat. This is case 4A0892587. Mr. McCrary Bay was issued an infraction for operating a motor vehicle in excess of the posted speed limit, 11 to 15 miles per hour over the posted speed limit on December 11th, 2024. And let me take a look here. It does appear that Mr. McCrary Bay has a perfect driving record. And so it does appear that you are eligible for a deferral, if that is something that you are interested in. You have responded to the issuance of the infraction by requesting a contested hearing. Is that how you would like to proceed this morning?
Boy.
Yes, sir.
So the court's going to
Okay.
begin by reviewing the officer's report. After I've done that, I'll go ahead and swear you in, and you'll have an opportunity to provide any testimony you would like.
I also submitted some filings as well. I was just wondering if the court had
Yes.
time to review that as well.
Yes, I did review the filing that was filed with the court last week.
All right. And were there any objections to the filings?
There's no objection to the filings. I have reviewed the filing.
Oh my God. So he's like, he thinks that he got a win. So the way these guys operate, they think they got a win by the state not objecting to their filings. Ergo, whatever bullshit they put in their filings is accepted as true in fact, and therefore they're guaranteed the win. So this guy probably thinks that he's got this in the bag and he's on his way out. Mike, Serrano, what do you want? I put out food for you. Meow.
So I'll let you make whatever argument you would like to make based upon what you've filed. I'll also let you offer any factual testimony you'd like the court to consider, okay?
Sure.
So let me go ahead and review the officer's report first. And the court has reviewed the report of Officer Jeremy Vall of the Lakewood Police Department, signed under penalty of perjury, December 11th, 2024, providing his factual basis for the issuance of this infraction. And Mr. McCurry Bay, I'm going to go ahead and ask you to raise your right hand.
I'm new to this legal, and I'm not Catholic or Baptist. I'm a Moroccan national, so
Oh my God. Okay. I guess he means to say Catholic or Protestant, but whatever. Like he can't. We're not swearing on a Bible. We don't do that anymore. We do swear or affirm.
Yes, sir.
If it's all right, could I put my hand over my heart and say,
Yeah, that's fine. I just need you to affirm that whatever you tell the court will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
yes, sir?
What testimony would
All
you
right.
like to
That's
offer
not
the
bad.
court regarding the issuance of the infraction in this case?
First of all, on that morning, I was not driving. Driving implies that I was doing business or commerce. At the time, I was traveling because I was going from home to school, which is Clover Park Technical College. And when he had pulled me over, it was over there by Clover Park, but there was a street where I had taken a left, and that's where he had pulled me over at. And he said I was in the school zone going 10 or 15 over, but I had already where I had turned is already past the school zone, and the speed limit for that was 35, and that's when I had went 35, which was after the speed limit sign.
And Mr. McCurry Bay, is there any additional testimony you'd like to offer at this time?
Not at this time. What actually, the stop was pretextual as well, because in what he had told me, he was like, you don't have a valid driver's license, but he only ticketed me for the traveling infraction. And if I believe that's a pretextual stop, because one, I wasn't cited for no like driver's license, which you don't need a driver's license to do travel. You only need the license to do commerce. And the pretextual stop is because he gave me a citation for the traveling part, but he didn't give me a citation for the ID.
All right, Mr. McCurry Bay, thank you. And I do want to note for the record that I have reviewed, actually over the weekend, I reviewed the declaration of Mr. McCurry Bay that was filed with the court on May 1st, 2025. So the court is going to make a finding that the infraction was committed. The court has reviewed the report of the officer. It does appear that the officer was utilizing a speed measuring device that was properly certified and calibrated at the time that it captured the speed of the vehicle being driven by Mr. McCurry Bay, or as Mr. McCurry Bay indicates, that
Once they told me I wasn't driving, I was traveling at the time, and I wasn't operating a vehicle. I was operating my personal property.
correct. And
Personal
so
property.
Mr. McCurry Bay has used the verbiage traveling and operating his personal property. The officer is using the verbiage driving and motor vehicle. I understand that Mr. McCurry Bay uses different terminology to describe that phenomenon. I respect that. But it does appear that the speed measuring device that was being utilized by the officer was in good working order at the time of the issuance of this infraction and did record that personal property, or what the officer refers to as the vehicle, traveling at a speed that exceeded the posted speed limit in a school zone. And so the officer issued the infraction based on that observation, as well as the officer's personal estimation of the speed at 35 miles per hour in a 20 mile per hour zone. So the court will enter that finding of committed at this time. The court does note Mr. McCurry Bay pointing out that the officer did not issue an infraction for failure to have a driver's license.
I did present him my passport though, too.
I do see that the enhanced traveler ID was presented. In response to that, the court does note that officers do have discretion to issue or not issue an infraction, even if there is a factual or legal basis for the issuance of the infraction. And it does appear that Officer Volley did decline to issue that infraction for failure to have a driver's license. However, that does not negate the issuance of the school zone speeding infraction, and the court will find that infraction is committed at this time.
The thing is, though, I'm a Moroccan diplomat, which implies that I don't fall under that jurisdiction.
And
So, yeah, if for that to work, you're going to have to, you need to actually have a card, an actual ID card saying that you're a diplomat issued by the State Department. You can't just like, and if you say you're handed over your passport, is it your Moroccan passport? Because if you don't have an actual ID issued by the U.S. Department of State saying that you're a diplomat, providing your Moroccan passport doesn't do shit. Because, again, a foreign national can commit a crime in the United States.
under that standing for diplomacy or for diplomatic immunity, if you are seeking exemption from this court's order, that would need to be taken up diplomatically with the United States Department of State.
Okay.
And the court has signed that order. And Mr. McCurry Bay, I'll ask you to come forward and we'll get you a copy of the court's order.
Idiot.
Quick question is, would there be a chance for a deferment if possible?
No, unfortunately, once someone requests a contested hearing,
No. he fucked up. Well, nope, sorry. You use it or lose
when
it.
they proceed with a contested hearing, the court does not grant deferrals after a finding of committed has been entered.
All right.
Thank you very much, sir. You can go ahead and come forward and we'll get you a copy of that order.
Genius.
I have a court case right here showing
no.
that
Oh no.
my diplomacy and it shows it's a superior court case that establishes our U.S. DDT as well.
And,
What?
sir, that is something that you can raise on appeal if you would like to bring that up on appeal. Also, again, if you're claiming a diplomatic exemption, that is something that you can also raise with the U.S. Department of State.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Oh, well, so I've actually already put out a decent level of notes talking about jurisdiction, certified copies and paper terrorism, the all caps name, why did they do the whole nature and cause? Although, if you're going to ask me why do SOV sits exist, that's a complicated, very, very complicated question, because you could go into you can go to the origins of where they came from, but the reasons why somebody would fall down this rabbit hole can be pretty far-reaching. I always say that like family law and like custody battles are like either like traffic tickets and family law are like the gateway drugs to SOV-sit ideology. Oh yeah, most of them they prey on the desperate, vulnerable, people who think that they've exhausted all other remedies, or they feel like the attorney that they had cheated him out, and so that makes them susceptible to thinking that all the lawyers are in cahoots. And once you think that all lawyers are in cahoots, you meet other like-minded people, and then you're going to find a guru who agrees with you, and damn, you bam, you're right into the soft sit pipeline. All right, let's see. Oh, that's 43 minutes. We won't do that one. But we'll do this. Tenant has not. This one was released 2 hours ago from Old Squishy Gardener. What the fuck is 600 plant life? What the hell did that person just say? Anyway, we can watch that one. If he's going to do, if it's going to be a, oh, no. Let's watch Van's. We can watch Van Ballian's latest. I haven't seen it yet. Fine. Why not?
Put your hands in your pockets one more.
Oh, hell no.
Put your hands in your pockets one more time. I'm gonna put darts in you. I'm gonna tase you.
Oh my God, that accent.
Get out of the car and put your hands behind your back.
I've already went to court and won on the court about all this. I don't understand why the word.
Oh wait, this is the other guy. This is the we've already, yeah, we saw this guy already in the previous video.
Is not being given to you guys. I don't know.
10-4.
You guys have been lied to as well.
I'm not playing around with your safety of your mind. Hands behind your back.
Oh yeah, this is the this is the follow up. That's right. Shout out to Van Ballian.
Welcome back to the Van Ballian channel, guys. Today we head back to South Carolina.
Hey, look, 600 Plant Live. I don't know why you think going into a live stream that talks about sovereign citizens and body cameras is the perfect place to grandstand about medicinal herbs and animals, but I think you're in the wrong place, man. Just saying.
For another right to travel fail, courtesy of this sovereign citizen, who we last saw in this video trying and failing to outsmart a South Carolina state trooper. So let's fast forward a couple of years to 2023, where he attempts the script again after getting pulled over for his window tint and a fake tag. And let's just say it goes about as well as it did in the last video. Right, let's get into the video.
Go ahead.
10-12. How's it going?
Can I help you?
Yes, sir. I'm stopping you for your window tint.
Okay, real quick. 600 Plant Live. If you spam that stuff again, I'm gonna have my mods time you out. Please stop doing that. I'm giving you this one warning. If you do it again, I'm having my mods time you out.
Window tint.
Yes, sir.
I didn't think that was any more an issue in South Carolina.
Sir?
I didn't think that was an issue in South Carolina.
Yes, sir.
Oh, well, it was on there when I got it. So.
I got you. You got your license, registration, insurance?
Well, that's the thing about that. I don't have none of
Oppenheimer.
Why not?
And I've already went to court and won on the court about all this. I don't understand why the word is not being given to you guys.
As we'll soon find out, this so-called court win he's talking about is, by his own admission, a dismissed case. So maybe that's why no one got this all-important memo.
Actually, you guys, is that on?
Yes, sir.
Okay, actually, Trooper Corum, you familiar with Mr. Corum?
Yes, sir.
He dropped 6 charges for, I guess, the lack of jurisdiction, for better use words for it.
Yeah, you keep telling yourself that story. It's clearly worked out so well for you in the past.
I got you, so...
And not to mention the one I won in the county up here in the courthouse.
That's fine. So what's your name?
Greg, thank you for the 48 months.
Can't really give you any information because
All right.
that's... You're going to use it again.
D25. Hey, come here.
Oh, let me get this paper.
I understand that.
So, let me ask you,
D69, go ahead.
D25. I need D1025.
are you going to be using any of this information or documentation against me in the court of law?
Oh my God, bro, that's not how that works. Hey, what's up, Fairy Dust? I see you in Twitch. You're the only one watching in Twitch. By the way, guys, if you have, wait, Wait, did they take away? I haven't. Well, let me put it this way. I haven't been on Twitch in a long ass time. Do they still offer free Prime subs? Or did they take that away finally? I remember hearing that they were going to take those away. If they're still there, if you're a member of Amazon Prime, you can gift me a free sub. So yeah, I would really appreciate it. Thank you very much if you do that. Thank you. Oh, they still do. Okay, so if you have Amazon Prime, you can log into Twitch and you can give somebody a sub for free to you, and much appreciated. Thank you. All right, bye. All right, thank you guys. Corgi, thank you for the 30 months. Legalize adequate retirement for old people. True. Sean Hawkins, thank you for 6 months. Flatzoid farts on orphans. Oh my God, Sean. My goodness. And hey, what's up, Kvar?
Dude, again, this script didn't work for you the last time and the time before that, so I'm curious, what makes you think it's going to work this time?
D25, we're at Dollar General, US 29. Alright. Look, don't make it harder than it needs to be.
I'm not trying to do that, sir. I really am not.
You don't have a license?
No, sir.
Alright.
Sure can,
1010 black
I got
card.
the, can I get some different paperwork right here?
That's fine. No weapons in the car?
Careful.
Here's the,
You got insurance on the vehicle?
there's the tickets.
What part of the trooper saying that's fine, meaning he isn't interested in looking at your tickets, did you not understand?
From 21,
10-4.
from the county.
10-4.
Uh-huh.
From the county, sir. And here's the, well, I went to court and proved all that I didn't need the insurance or the license or anything. I proved that in court, and there's the dismissal. You can see.
The only thing you're proving is how willfully ignorant you are. A dismissed case, if that is what happened, isn't a win and changes nothing about the law. Therefore, you still need a valid license, registration, and proof of...
Here's the thing, buddy. Here's the thing.
Proved all that I didn't need the insurance or the license or anything. I proved that in court, and there's the dismissal. You can see.
I don't know. I can't see that. I'm calling bullshit. But there's also it could be that you do have insurance and you do actually have a license. And so if you presented those, the judge will probably dismiss the insurance bit. Yeah. Or, alternatively, as Liz mentioned, the cop didn't show up to the hearing.
The only thing you're proving is how willfully ignorant you are. A dismissed case, if that is what happened, isn't a win and changes not...
I love how I was thinking to myself, man, I'm getting hot. And then I just remembered, oh yeah, I installed an AC unit in here already. Dumbass.
Nothing about the law. Therefore, you still need a valid license, registration, and proof of insurance if you want to operate it on a public road.
You can see.
No, hold it.
Well, it's got information on there that he's going to use against me.
Alright, so this is where we're at. I'm asking for your information due to you driving on a state highway.
It's a public highway, right?
The state is actually United States highway, US 29.
It's a public highway, right?
So,
Yes.
are you failing to identify yourself?
You suspect me of a crime,
I do.
and that would be
110.
when the tenant
Yes,
is
sir.
there an injured party involved
Doesn't
here?
matter, state law.
Oh, injured party. Drink. Yes. As a matter of, so yes, if you like live on like a 100-yard acre like mega ranch with its own private roads, then yeah, you don't need a license at all. You can go fucking buck wild on there without a care in the world. It's only when you go on public property. That's the issue.
And proof of insurance if you want to.
All right. So
Thank you, Tiki.
this is where we're
Just
at.
got back from work.
I'm asking for your information due to you driving on a state highway.
It's a public highway, right?
State is actually United States Highway, US
Public,
29.
it's a public highway, right?
So, are you failing to identify yourself?
You suspect me of a crime,
I do.
and that would be
110.
1 to 10.
Yes, sir.
Is there an injured party involved
Doesn't
here?
matter, state law.
It does matter, sir. It has to be an injured party in
All
order
right.
for there to be a crime.
All right.
I mean, all the justices, the Supreme Court, and everything's already upheld all these decisions, sir.
Yeah, I
That's
bet
fine.
they have.
And I'm just trying.
And I bet you can't cite them, can you?
trying to get the point across to you guys, because you guys have been lied to as well.
You got.
Would you look at that? The same guy who
Oh, so he's trying to educate the cops. Oh, I bet he can't wait to hear this lesson.
lied to a state trooper during a previous traffic stop is trying to lecture and has the nerve to accuse other people of lying. What a surprise.
Like here, even here is the South Carolina Supreme Court case that the state can only impose a fee for compensation of the highways on motor vehicles exclusively in interstate commerce.
Yes, sir.
I'm not
Bullshit.
I'm not acting in interstate commerce or any kind of commerce for that matter. And here, South Carolina versus U.S.
Oh my God! Yeah, thank you, KFAR, for the spoiler alert with the, the 150 font printout from his whatever guru packet he downloaded this thing from.
Constitution is a written instrument. As such, its meaning does not alter that which it meant when it was adopted. It means now. Further, the right to travel by private conveyance, which is this, for private purposes, which is what I'm doing, upon the common way cannot be infringed.
Again, I'm calling bullshit. I'm gonna go calling even more bullshit that it's probably a made-up quote.
Are you even?
I'm listening to you.
I mean, but you don't seem like you're listening to me.
I'm listening to you.
Yeah, I wonder why he seems so disinterested in what you're saying. Could it be because he knows this is not the time or the place to make this dumb argument? Or maybe it's because this is not the first time he's come across someone stupid enough to fall for the right to travel script. Or maybe he's just waiting for backup to arrive to take you to jail. Anyway, speaking of...
So so no license or permission is required for travel when such travel is not for the purpose.
In the state of South
Commercial
Carolina,
property
you
games.
must have a driver's license.
But the state has already. This is the state's decision. So
South Carolina, you have to have a driver's license. You have to present it.
No,
to me.
if I work for the state,
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir. Can we get a county?
Yeah, they're waiting for. He's waiting for backup at least. I don't think that it's not. This isn't about the cop like dealing with his bullshit. He's just waiting for backup to arrive because they're probably gonna hook him up and they're probably gonna tow the car.
Yeah, there are no county in.
Yes.
Thank you. I got small paperwork too. I'm not gonna harm you. I just don't want you harming me either.
Now it's my eek's turn to stare at the outside world.
Check it out. I got one for the state.
Rana, stop it.
This is for North Carolina. I can't find the one for South Carolina, but it says it would say South Carolina here instead of North Carolina on the other one.
I got you. So you have your ID.
This is a parent company name.
Do you have your
I
driver's
don't
license?
work for. I don't have a company ID. No sir.
Do you have your driver's license?
I don't have a company ID.
Do you have insurance?
I don't have any company information.
Do you have?
What? Why is he saying company information?
From the state of South Carolina.
All right.
Claiming a driver's license or state ID is a company ID.
Oh. I get it. South Carolina's a corporation, so he doesn't have a company. Yeah, got it.
Because some idiot told you that South Carolina is a company like, say, Walmart, to get out of paying for vehicle registration and insurance might just be the dumbest thing I've ever heard. And that's saying something because you've said some really dumb things already in this and the previous video.
I'm asking one more time for your driver's license.
I don't have your company ID, sir.
Get your hand out your pocket for me. You have. Are you suspended? Don't have a license? What's the problem?
I don't have a company ID, sir.
All right. Well, listen. Go ahead, turn around. You're under arrest.
What? You mean the company ID thing downloaded from a dodgy right to travel website didn't work? I am shocked. It's almost as if everything you accuse other people of lying about is in itself a lie.
Can I put my
I know,
shit in
Lisa.
the car?
Just hold on.
It's in my pocket.
What's in your pocket?
Just a lot of stuff I don't want to go to the jailhouse.
All right. Who would you like to tow your vehicle?
Turkeys. That's all right. Oh wait, I need a key.
I'll get your key.
That's right here. Yeah, I'm not gonna hurt you, sir. I'm telling you.
Hey, Devin, thank you for the sub.
Time, I'm gonna put darts in you. I'm gonna tell you, get out of the car and put your hands behind your back.
Uh-oh.
I'm not playing around with your safety or mine. Hands behind your back.
Maybe Mr. Sparky is just what this soft-sit needs. 50,000 volts might shock him out of his delusion.
Put on top.
Well, I've been arrested for.
Fill your identifier.
Dispatch, brother.
That's not a county deputy. I need a sheriff's deputy out here.
One detained. Old camp back 1044.
I need the sheriff's deputy out here.
You got a highway patrol in the town of Blacksburg. That's what you got.
All right. Step over here.
The sheriff's deputy is what I need.
Anything on you? Anything on you? Anything that's
I'm
gonna
not
stick
answering
you?
any questions, sir. I can't answer any questions.
All right. Well, I'm gonna read you your rights.
Oh, sheriff's deputy. There you go.
You understand these rights I've explained to you?
Can I get your name, sir?
Absolutely. It's Deputy Parker. You know me.
Deputy Parker.
Mm-hmm.
You went to stick?
I did.
Oh, wow. How you been?
Nah, we making
I
it.
heard you went to chest.
You understand these rights I've explained?
Anyway,
He's talking to us.
I'm not answering any questions for him.
How many rights money you talk to us now?
Can I get you to uphold your constitutional duty and protect my rights here, man?
We went through that, man.
I'll beat you in court.
Oh my God! No wait, I just realized he. Oh, you can't see it because of my thing. He has my plate. He has my exact plate. Nice. Ah! He probably got it off Amazon. He has my exact plate that somebody gave me off Amazon. Nice. Well done. Sheriff's deputies have lower voltage tasers? No. The reason why a lot of these guys love sheriff's deputies is that they are under the belief that sheriffs or sheriff's deputies are like the highest law enforcement officer in the given jurisdiction, and therefore they're like more beholden to the Constitution than local police are. It's stupid. It's a really stupid assumption. As what's his face? Lamar found out the hard way when he went to Connecticut and found out that sheriffs have almost zero like power or authority in the state of Connecticut. They're like, my understanding is that Connecticut sheriffs are effectively like not much more than service processors. I don't think they have any sort of arresting authority in the state of Connecticut, and he found that out, and he was like shocked. But yeah, yeah, it's yeah.
You didn't?
I did. Again, not you, but Millen, Brian Millen. I beat him in the magistrate court.
He didn't beat me in court though.
But it's the same charges, man, and it's proven right there that y'all don't need to be doing this, and it's your duty as a sheriff's deputy to protect my rights.
I got you.
And the Supreme Court's already confirmed I have the right to be in this road.
The fact that you practically live in handcuffs at this point says different. Maybe you should try taking an entry-level civics class instead of downloading misinterpreted and cherry-picked Supreme Court cases.
Who you want to take off?
You got it. I'm just asking you to help me out, man.
I can't help you out,
you
fella.
Can.
You can't.
This is your county, is it not?
Yes. He works for the state, fella.
But you work for the county, he's in your county. You are the ultimate authority in the state.
He's over the state. It's like we talked about, man. You gotta have insurance. You have to have driver's license to operate on a highway.
As the sheriff is an elected official, he is the lawful authority of the state.
And that's fine.
Everybody else is a corporate
But either
official.
way, you still have to have driver's license to operate on a public highway.
Says who?
The state.
No, the Supreme Court's already said this, sir. Yes, they have. That's how I won in court.
I got you.
Do you got me? Or you just
No, I
blowing me
understand
off?
what. No,
I feel
I
like
understand
you
what
just blowing me off.
I understand what you're saying.
You have a duty to protect my rights.
I got you.
As a sheriff's deputy, and you're failing
Well,
to
I
do
think
so.
he's already advised you you're under arrest, so I can't do anything about that. So hop in the car.
Just the fact that you're arguing this with a deputy you've already lost in court to is hilarious and says everything.
Unit going 1042.
Will you please make a phone call for me real quick?
Who you want me to call?
My daughter.
What's the number?
491.
Something.
What was your name?
Brittany.
Okay.
Dispatch 113.
Hey,
Yes, sir.
is there any way we could wait on the tow truck and let me pay him to take that to my house?
No, sir. Hold on.
I'd appreciate it if you do that for me.
Do you have any marijuana on you?
No.
Is there any marijuana in the vehicle? Is there any marijuana in the vehicle?
Thanks,
All right.
Business must be booming at Turkey's Towing with the amount of times they've had to tow his car at his request. I bet he has a loyalty card that gives him a special soft seat discount.
I'm not trying to be hard to get along with.
She didn't answer, bro.
Can you get her to shoot her a text?
Yeah, I'll send it. Yeah. I'm not lying to you.
I don't know.
I ain't ever lied to you.
Maybe not knowing you.
I got you.
Wise decision by the daughter not answering the phone to her deadbeat soft-seat dad. I don't think I would answer the phone either. Anyway, now they do the obligatory inventory of the vehicle before towing, and one of my favourite parts of a soft-seat traffic stop, when they do it, removing the fake private tag.
Ah. Why are they putting him in the front seat? I have no idea. I would say it's a very, very rare thing to see. I've seen it before in other videos, but yeah, it's a pretty rare thing for an arrested individual to be put in the front seat. Yeah.
If a state trooper removing the private plate you bought off Amazon or eBay and taking it as evidence, along with the fact that not one person has ever won in court with this argument, doesn't convince you that this doesn't work, then nothing will.
And this ain't even an arrestable offense. There's no need to take somebody to jail. An overcrowded.
I mean, I don't know what the laws are in South Carolina, but I would imagine failing to ID when you have a legal obligation to provide it can be an arrestable offense.
What you mean?
Did you provide your license?
I don't have any.
Well, there you go.
That's
jailable.
I mean, it doesn't have to be. Y'all do have the discretion out here. I've already.
Do we?
I've experienced that from before, yeah.
But you were cooperative though from the get-go.
I know. Probably after the stream is over, I'm gonna pick a spot, maybe behind the cat tree, where I'll just mount the mount the tag.
Yeah.
That's right.
I was this time.
You made a wise decision. That's all I can tell you.
I mean, he was asking me for stuff I don't have to give. I don't understand.
Yeah.
I mean, I do understand this is a police state and everybody's a slave to the police state.
No, you ain't no slave, fella.
I'm not. Then what's going on here?
You don't have a driver's license, car ain't got no insurance.
Says who says I have to have that?
The state.
And who is the state to me?
Sir, if you're going to operate on a public highway in the state of South Carolina, you have to abide by the South Carolina laws.
Any law that's repugnant to the Constitution is null and void, sir.
Where in the Constitution does it say that you don't have to have a driver's license and abide by state law?
It falls under the liberty part.
It
and
don't.
the Supreme Court has ruled.
I'm sorry, the what clause? The Liberty Clause? What?
Numerous times that we have a right to be on a public highway for non-commercial purposes. I'm not making any money.
I got you.
I came to do my laundry and pick up a few things from the store.
I got you.
For the good of my household. Furthermore, is your body cam on?
It is.
Okay, I just want to make sure, Parker. And and furthermore, in the South Carolina Code, I believe it's Title 36.
Why are you citing South Carolina Code? I thought the only law that matters is the Constitution,
which is the Uniform Commercial Code that governs.
Oh, that's why he wants to cite the UCC. Got it.
All financial transactions. States in there, I forget what exact part it is, but a household good doesn't have to be registered, or licensed, or titled, or anything. And that's my household good.
I got you.
I don't think you do, because this keeps happening.
Ellen, I thought statute codes were BS. According to sovereign citizens, statute codes are bullshit unless they support my argument.
What you get? Well, you got to understand, man, that you got to have a license to operate on the highway. We went through that.
You need to understand that whoever you saying that don't override the Supreme Court of the United States.
Your legislators in the state of South Carolina say that. They're the ones that write the law.
Court to you guys? What does that mean to you guys?
So,
is that just like?
It's the highest court in the land, but I'm gonna tell you that the Supreme Court didn't rule that you don't have to have a license.
They have. You can look it up.
I got you.
I can show you on that piece of paper in my car.
I looked at that paper. You give it to me. I got a copy of it. Remember?
Maybe it's a different paper, but
I got you.
Either way, the Supreme Court's already decided all these things, and y'all don't need to be doing anything.
I got you, bro.
I'm not out here bothering anybody, man. I'm not hurting
No,
anybody.
but you're driving.
No, I'm not. That's a commercial term. That's a commercial activity.
You're operating a motor vehicle on a public highway.
And motor vehicle are both commercial terms, and I'm not doing any of that.
I got you. Well, you're traveling behind the wheel on an asphalt trail. I don't know what else you want to call it.
Public highway, like the Supreme Court says I got a right to do.
You do.
But then what's the deal here?
Not in a motor vehicle without license.
It's not a motor vehicle till it's registered with the DMV.
It has a motor in it, and it's a vehicle.
Sir, you need to look up some terms.
I got you,
It's
brother.
an automobile from the factory.
I got you.
And when you register it, it's classified as a motor vehicle for commerce. Commercial purposes. That's the whole
I got
purpose of the DMV.
I'm gonna shut your door real quick, okay? Watch your leg. Oh, man.
He thinks anybody's actually going to pay attention to him.
So I had a court case with him. I can't remember it right off. I'm trying to look that up.
He has tickets in here or something.
So I had a trial with him when I worked for the city. The same kind of deal.
Did you grab his key up?
It's still in the glove box. Lock.
All right.
Yeah. 126 dispatch.
48.
Okay, priority 4, also overdose, Burnt Mill Grocery. It'll be 422 Burnt Mill Road.
Okay, so we're going to skip the ride to jail and the booking in process because it's for the most part uneventful. His car was, of course, impounded again, and the trooper at one point during the ride to jail mentions 7 citations. So, play stupid games, win stupid prizes. Right, thank you so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please leave me a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you also to my channel members and...
Alright, shout out to you, Van Balian, for the first video and the follow-up. So, as always, people, check him out. Sub to him. He finds the best stuff, usually before me, which is not fair, because I have a job during the day. Unlike Van, unlike Mike, rude, unlike Kurt, but it is what it is. Okay, this one's probably not, this one's likely not to be Sovereign Citizen, and this is going to be the last one before we close up shop. I'm very curious about this, because I remember the title of this video being much different. And that's why what it interested me. But it's one that was uploaded by Police Insider about 6 hours ago, saying how visiting her dad's business turned into a felony. But I think the original title was like how to get trespassed from your own family business. Not like you're even looking, playing Oblivion and luring tick. I mean, true. But I'm very curious about how this happened.
This nice and composed lady whacked the shit out of a staff member who worked at a retirement home her father owned just because she didn't like the way he talked to her.
No.
Yeah, I'll make a note of that later. Okay.
I'm Officer Wilson. Is the woman trespassing? Okay. What? What's going on today? Hi. How are you today? Are you Wilson? I am Wilson. Why did you just hit him? Oh, he's blocking me.
Wait, did the officer actually hit him? Did she
father owned just because she didn't like the way he talked to her.
No, I'm Officer Wilson.
Oh wow, she did. No, the body cam caught it. Right there.
Father owned just because she didn't like the way he talked to her.
No, I'm Officer Wilson. Is the woman trespassing?
Yeah, she what the she used her shoulder.
What? What's going on today? Hi. How are you today? Are you Wilson? I am Wilson. Why did you just hit him? Oh, he's blocking me, and I don't like that. And I'm a roller derby girl, and that's okay. Well, right now you're being detained for assault. Okay. I need you to face that wall, please. Oh, okay. This. No. Oh! Do this! I'm not doing this. Okay, let's just keep talking. Okay? Okay, let's just keep talking. We're not under arrest. Okay, cool. Okay. I've never been arrested before. It's really super awesome. I love this. New York Post.
Taser!
Fight her. What's your name? Hey, said you wanted to talk. Yeah, we're talking. Okay, what's your name? I'm Heidi. Heidi? Yeah. Okay. Why is this happening? Why is this happening? Because nobody remembers my father around here, and that makes me sad. I'm sorry that happened, okay? Yeah. But I need you to cooperate. I'm cooperating. No, you're not. Oh, I'm hustling you.
No, you're not. You are definitely not cooperating.
Looks like you have your hands full.
What? I don't want to hurt you.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah. And my stepfather would never want to come into the place like this. That's sad.
I need you to cooperate.
Why?
Daddy issues.
Because it's
For what?
better for you.
I'm tired of cooperating. I've cooperated my whole life. We're just dancing. Don't mind us.
Yep. Daddy issues. Oh
no. We're not fighting.
Stop it.
Put your hand here.
I think they laugh.
Put her hand behind her back.
My dad did awesome by me. So did my ex-husband.
I'm going to put you on the ground if you don't put your hands behind your back, okay?
I understand.
So stop resisting.
Mm-hmm.
Put your hands behind your... Ma'am.
I'm sorry. I'm just trying to get the hair out of my face.
Ma'am. You're making this... Okay. Lower her down slowly. Come here. Ma'am.
No. Don't slowly. No. Put her down. Decentralize her. That's what I was looking for. Decentralize her ass.
It's awesome. Awesome.
Here. Put your hands behind your back. You're making... Here, one sec. Here, move.
What's your name?
Sergeant Clifford. Here.
Clifford.
Put your hands behind your back.
I got two cops on me.
Put your hands behind your back. Here. Cuff her. Thank you.
My sister's meeting me here.
Dave and 7 Cassie, we have 1 custody. I don't know that right now.
Okay. Hi, I'm kind of thirsty.
I haven't been able to do anything. Other than she says her stepfather's coming.
Pretty embarrassing getting thrown out of a property your family owns. She's not even adopted, which would have made more sense.
Thirsty.
You guys alright? We're good.
Would you step up again?
These double locked, Officer Wilson?
No, they're not.
Okay, hey.
Sorry.
What are you doing? Chill, okay? Relax.
I don't know how.
You're acting really odd, okay?
I know.
Yeah. Relax.
I know.
Right, how many times did we tell you?
No, this is a retirement home, Jester, but yeah.
I thought a long time.
Stop doing that. Stop moving your arms around, okay? Chill. Just get up.
Get up this way. Sit on your butt.
Yes, sir.
All right. Ready?
Nope.
All right, just sit up.
Just stand up.
Why? No, because that's one more step towards the door.
What?
Huh?
Just stand up, okay?
Stand up. Come on.
Chill out.
No, water first.
No, that's not how this works. Stand up, please.
No, you're an officer.
What's
you
your-
think
what's-
you
what's-
have control.
What's your name?
I'm Heidi.
Heidi, we're trying to make this as simple as possible. You're making this not simple. Okay?
My dad would like to be remembered, just
Okay.
like all these guests in here.
So stand up for me, okay?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Here, stand up. Yeah, we'll help you up. Ready? Here we go.
Thanks.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Oh.
Do you have her sunglasses?
That's what Dad always
Let's
said
get
about
her.
being really uncooperative.
Okay.
Okay, where are
Let's
we
get her.
going?
We're gonna go outside for a little bit here, so we can figure out.
We're not interrupting these people.
You're figuring out what's going on, okay?
Your dog's probably wondering where you're at, so.
Do you live in town, Heidi?
Have you gotten a hold of him yet?
Hey, Heidi.
Oh, I'm
I
sorry.
think they have a direct.
Heidi, let's go. Heidi, just walk out. Heidi,
I'm just
walk outside, okay?
She told me I need to talk to Jay Inslee.
Yeah, well, Heidi, come on.
Yeah.
Heidi, what are you doing? What are you doing? Why are you acting
I'm
like
letting
that?
you guys carry me off.
That's stupid.
Yeah, why?
Because it's a waste of time. Come on.
No, it doesn't.
I haven't searched her thoroughly, obviously.
Why is it a waste of time? Why is fighting a waste of time? People love it.
Come on,
It makes a good
sit in
show.
the car.
Hold
Heidi,
on.
just go in the
Let's just
car.
relax a minute, okay?
Let's have a seat or relax then. Here, have a seat.
I want to relax right here.
Heidi, no, that's not how this is gonna work.
Clifford,
Yes.
I just want to relax for a minute.
Well,
This is
we can relax in the car, okay?
Heidi sure seemed high on D, D-R-U-G-S. But the reason behind her lovely behavior was something else.
Well, you can relax in the car.
No, I can't. Ooh, you're a good guy. You're awesome.
Heidi.
And then we still need to get in the car. I still need my water.
Okay, we gotta get in the car. Why don't we get in the car and we'll figure it out, okay? Heidi.
I'm up to 4.
Heidi. You're making us have to use
You
force.
guys
We don't want to do that. We don't want to hurt
not
you. So go in the car.
Anything better
Heidi.
to do?
We'd like to do other stuff.
We would be doing better stuff if you would listen to what we're saying.
Right, so go in the car.
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead and have a seat. Heidi. Do you want me to lift you up and put you in the car?
No, I'd like some water, please.
We'll have a seat in the car then. Okay? We'll talk about water later.
Nope. I rolled over for you,
No, you didn't.
and you did not get me water.
Heidi, have a seat in the car,
No,
okay?
no.
You're going to get hobbled, and that is not a fun
telling me
experience. Heidi, do you want us
this
to have
is-
to tie your legs?
I'd like some water, please.
Why don't we have a seat in the
Why
car
is
and we'll
that
talk
too much
about
to
that?
ask for?
Have a seat in the car and we'll
No,
talk about it.
because I don't like police cars.
Heidi, have
I
a
do
seat.
not
It doesn't
like-
matter. We're beyond that
because-
now. Have a seat in the
I mean, we're not here to entertain your phobias and likes and dislikes.
You are beyond that. I'm not.
I am, Heidi. Go in the car.
Okay.
Have a seat.
Please. Did I not say please?
Did I say please, Heidi? Please sit in the car.
Please, sir, give
Or
me
Heidi,
some water.
have a seat in the car. We'll worry about the water out.
Sir, give me some water.
Have a seat in the car.
No.
Heidi, I don't want to have to lift
Why
you
do
up
I have to cooperate with you?
because you're under arrest.
That's awesome. That's a first for me.
Good. So have
Yeah.
a seat in the car.
No.
Okay, so I'll ask, what are you expecting to happen here then? What do you think's going to happen if you don't listen?
Oh. Really? Oh, this scraped my knee.
Heidi,
Ouch.
have a seat in the car.
I think right now I'm just trying to get noticed.
Okay, we'll have a seat in the car for now then. Let's calm down.
Okay, by you.
By everybody. Sounds like everybody saw what was going on. So
Who's
have,
everybody?
have a seat in
Can
the
you
car.
tell me?
Heidi, the whole staff saw you. You apparently assaulted a staff member, and you wouldn't let Officer Wilson cuff you, and
That's
you wouldn't
because
stop
they wouldn't let
resisting.
me sit
It
down
doesn't
and
matter.
have dinner with the guests.
It doesn't matter.
So,
Come on, get in the car.
I guess Richard will have to meet my sister.
Sure. Okay, have a seat in the car then, Heidi.
They can come get me at the police station.
Well, Heidi, let's have a seat first then, okay? Climb in. Heidi.
This really makes me nervous.
Heidi, we're being as nice as we can about this with you, okay?
So am I.
No, you're not.
No, really.
Okay, so step in the car. I don't want to have to carry you into the car. But that's what's going to happen in a few minutes if you keep doing what you're doing.
You're really tall. How tall are you?
Heidi. Hey. You gotta get in the car.
Yeah,
Heidi.
like 6'4"?
Heidi.
Heidi spelled backwards is Heidi. Makes absolutely no sense, just like her.
Okay, we're gonna...
Okay, that was a terrible, terrible attempt at humor.
Put you in the car because you're not listening, okay?
Yeah, I mean, my dog, you don't
Heidi.
train the dog that way either.
Heidi, here. There we go.
All right.
Perfect.
I hope my dog can come.
Your dog is fine. We have your dog.
You have my dog? Okay.
Seems like a very nice dog. What's your dog's name?
Zoe.
Zoe.
And
She
he's
seems like
water.
a very sweet dog. We'll see if I get you one.
I'll
Okay.
do the phone farm.
So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say is against you in a court of law.
The dog, please get the dog in the car. Come here, pup. Puppy! If the dog lets you grab him, will you grab him? You got it? Your dog?
No, it's my stepdaughter.
Okay.
I was just getting concerned. What's going on here? Am I safe?
She fought us. She wouldn't
My
leave us-
stepdaughter?
Is that Heidi?
Yeah.
Yeah.
She went for a walk about a half hour ago with Zoe. That's her dog.
She ended up in the dining room here and wouldn't leave. They called us. I saw her assault a staff member. I tried to get her to come out, and she started fighting with me.
Oh, yeah. I'm her
so she's
stepdad.
under arrest right now.
Oh, shit.
Okay. What's the issue? What's
Well,
she
I'm over here. Well, she called her other sister in Bellingham to come and meet us for dinner.
Okay.
And it's probably take an hour to get here, so she's going to take the dog for a walk.
Do you understand each of these rights I explained to you?
What the hell happened?
Okay, what about him? So you don't want to talk? You want to talk to your lawyer?
No, I'm just saying, well, you know,
Okay.
yeah, sure. If I need a lawyer, that would be W.
So, okay.
Did this 45-year-old woman just say W? Unironically?
I don't know. I'm confused by all this. I mean, you're making it kind of hard and simple at the same time.
Seems like I've made everything pretty simple today, and you're the one making it difficult.
She's probably more like
Seems
55.
that way. That's kind of how men and women are.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, does she live here or?
No, she lives in Ellensburg. She's over for the weekend.
Okay.
So I live in Cedar Woods. She showed up at my house and she says, well, let's go do something. So we were out here at Washington Park, walked, with the dog and stuff. And then we came back here. Her dad was one of the original owners of this place.
Okay, but no connections now?
Not that I'm aware of.
I'd have to. My camera is on. I have to.
Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah.
I got out of the cars. I got to figure what the heck's going on.
no.
All of a sudden, half the Anacortes Police Department's here.
Yeah, because she was fighting with me.
That's where she lives. Yeah, she works
Does
at.
she have any mental health stuff?
Not that I'm aware
That
of.
would, I mean, because this is just not normal behavior for.
Sorry,
somebody.
that was me, guys.
Well,
I'm sorry.
while we were out there,
I should have
and
said
stuff
like
that, she had told me
55,
that,
not
she works
45,
at Central Washington
55.
University, where she graduated from. And she, I mean, don't see, I
I'm
didn't know
40,
she was coming over this
so
way.
I'm aging
had said
myself
something
too.
While we were in the car about she was taking some time off from work.
Oh my God, I'm 40.
I'm going to ask her permission to give you the car and the dog, because she's staying with us for a while.
Yeah, that's what
Okay.
you just said. Yeah.
This is when the officers were told
And I
that
just
she
made
was the
myself
owner's daughter,
sad.
who must be rolling in his grave.
She's on assaultery and resisting and.
Jan said she assaulted a worker and then
worker.
You're right. So I didn't get into all of it with her because she was.
Where is Jan at?
She's inside.
That was in her vehicle.
That was in the vehicle.
Yeah, there's no suspect vehicle.
Anita just, I get it. If she's a what?
If she's actually the owner's daughter.
The owner's daughter?
Yeah.
What's the owner's name?
Last name Land, or Lanning passed away, but daughters have taken ownership. So what we're trying to determine is she really one of the owners.
Sounds like it's.
That's the last.
She's claiming.
What's the daughter's name?
One of the daughter's name is Wendy.
And the other?
It's the other daughter's name. We don't know off the top of her head.
Okay. Is it Heidi?
Heidi? That doesn't sound familiar to me. I know the mom's name is Karen. One of the more active daughters is Wendy.
And they own the place?
Thank you, Sonny.
Okay. She's saying the owners are the.
They used to be.
They used to be?
Are they now?
She's making it sound like.
Yeah, she said her dad used to be one of the owners.
Okay.
But she has got no connection to the place. She lives in Ellensburg.
Okay.
And this is her stepfather down here.
Okay,
We're
what's
supposed
he
to be
say?
meeting him for dinner.
Okay.
He's sitting in her car. I walked down there to try to check in with the dog. He's like, oh, it's my stepdaughter's dog. What's going on? So this is totally unlike her. She's got no history of mental health that she knows. She works at Central Washington University. Came in for the weekend. They were supposed to go out to dinner.
Okay. So that's the owner there. That's the former.
That's the stepfather.
Okay.
He lives in Cedar Woolley.
And she just assaulted a healthcare worker right in front of you?
Yeah, so I was walking in, so just basically body checked him.
Okay.
Why are they redacting? Why are they redacting the identity of the police department? That's very weird. I don't know why. I don't know why. I don't know who did this. I mean, I hope it's not the police department that redacted that, because that's stupid. But yeah, very stupid.
So I went up to talk to her, trying to just get in closer before anything. She started just not making sense, and then said, okay, you're saying you're not I got her around, almost got one hand.
Thank you, Damien.
Turned, and I couldn't let go of her wrist.
So she's under arrest then?
Yeah, she was under, I told her at that point she was under arrest, or at some point in that scuffle.
Before I got
She was
out.
under arrest, I was just holding her up against the wall, and I had to have one of the workers push my radio so I could get out.
Yeah, she doesn't recognize that name, but.
He used to own it. Because that's what stepdad's saying. Her dad was one of the original owners. But they no longer have any ties. Yeah, they no longer have any ties with it. Yes.
So I don't know. You know.
She seems like she's having.
I started talking to her a little bit. She says, "Let's not talk. You know, just keep it quiet." So then we came in here. See, her dad is one of the original owners of this place.
Okay.
Built it. Lanning is his name.
Okay.
That's her dad.
Okay. Yeah, she seems like she's having some mental health issues, so I don't know if that's.
Yeah, I don't know. Now I can tell you, 20 years ago, she had transplant surgery, but I don't know if it has. She had double lung transplants. She had cystic fibrosis.
I don't think that should affect
Well,
her
I'm just
unless.
mentioning
Yeah.
She had cystic fibrosis. But,
Yeah. No, it seems like she's having.
It seems like she was having any kind of mental breakdown. In fact, she called her. She went up here to use the office to call her sister in Bellingham.
Yeah.
To tell her what she'd need for dinner, and then she came back to the car and got Joey, the dog. Then 45 minutes later, I see this police car show up, and then I see this one show up, and another one behind me.
Okay.
Before I got out to ask this officer if I should.
Well, nobody's hurt or anything.
Well,
so
I
that's
didn't know
good,
what
but-
things are these days.
No, I know. Yeah, nobody's been hurt,
But,
so that's a
but
good
if I
news,
don't
but-
have those keys, I'm stuck.
It was now time for Heidi to be transported to jail, which wasn't owned by her father but would treat her the same.
I understand that's nostalgic for you. Okay, your stepdad is down there, Richard. Okay, is it okay if he takes care of your dog in your car for you right now? Okay. Where are the keys to the car? You don't know where the keys are?
I know, right?
What happened when she came in?
She came in and I told her, I asked her if she was visiting. She said yes. I sent her to the front desk because she needed to sign in because I didn't see a sticker. And then she came back in with her dog and I told her she...
Hang on, sorry, I was just looking up where the f are my Raycons. After many people recommended it, I needed a replacement to these earbuds because they are like starting to not work and not charge. And people suggested that getting the Raycons that are pretty good. And I ordered them like a week and a half ago. It's my last birthday gift to myself, and they haven't arrived yet, so I'm agitated. Sorry.
being here with her dog, and then she started like going around, she gave me her dog and everything, and she kept like touching residents and talking to people. She was even talking to some of my staff, making them uncomfortable. Then that's when Zach and everybody came in.
Okay. Yeah, apparently her father was one of the original owners.
So Heidi is not the name of one of the daughters. It's Kirsten, Christine and Wendy.
Well, I've got stepdad out there telling me that
Stepdad.
her stepfather was out in the parking lot.
Her stepfather. So did they have stepfathers? Yeah, but is she one of the actual owners?
That's what
it's a
stepdad
whole other
says.
story. So I have Christine and Wendy that are the
Maybe
daughters
she's a
that are
granddaughter or
owners.
something. I don't know. She said that her dad would always tell her one of his favorite memories was being dinner with residents. That's what she was saying. I'm gonna go. She came in the story, you said?
Yeah, she came in through that door.
Okay, so do you mind filling out a statement?
Yeah.
Just about why you guys called?
I guess in terms of this lady's relation to the facility, what is the deal?
She is the daughter of our former owner. His name is Lanny, and he passed away last year.
Lenny. Okay.
Yeah.
So she's not related to the current ownership.
Her sisters
Oh
are
my
on the
God.
board. Yeah, so she is related, but not affiliated directly, to my knowledge.
Okay, so she's related. Okay, the sisters are on the board for the. Okay, so but she's related to them, obviously, but not. She's not affiliated with the facility in any regard.
In any operational sense, or yeah.
And are you aware of her being allowed to be here or anything?
She's never been here before.
Okay, so she's not permitted to be here.
Correct.
Okay.
She would like to talk to you. Her name is Wendy.
Hi, Wendy. This is Officer Faber. Okay. They have the full hospital staff at the jail, so everything will be fine there. Yeah, I mean, I'm assuming you're coming. Are you en route right now to pick up your dad?
She up today?
No, sounds like there's a little some medical stuff, but nothing mental. But it sounds like she's gonna be here in about an hour to pick you up, so we're good to go there.
She was charged with criminal trespass, 3rd-degree assault, 4th-degree assault, and resisting arrest. YouTube thinks you'll love the video on screen. Click to watch now.
Well, like I heard the Raycons were good, but I wasn't looking to spend like a whole bunch of money, and they, you know how these things are, they're on sale. So I got 20% off the fitness one. I got the fitness version. That's what I was looking for. And they were supposed to be coming in. I got them at like $100 with a discount and free shipping. So. Like a lot of the other ones I was looking at are like stupid expensive, like $200, $250. All right, fine. We'll watch another one. Let's see if they arrive. They arrive by then. This crazy lady, at least this one, there's going to be a taser involved. All right, so spoiler alert. Is it Florida woman? No, it's not Florida woman. It's Ohio woman.
Hi. Are you a customer, sir? No. Okay. Hi, how are you doing today?
Yeah, am I, like, violating something?
Are you violating? I don't know.
I was just trying to get it right back up. Can you get me right back up?
Back up to where now?
Like, towards Dayton.
Okay, where did you come from?
I'm trying to get it right back up towards East 3rd.
Okay.
Area.
Okay, well, let's start with this. Do you have your ID with you so I know who I'm talking to?
I'm just trying to get it right back. But if you can't help me...
Well, I might be able to help you, but I need to know who I'm talking to. You have your ID with you? How'd you get out here today?
My cousin dropped me off because she was like speeding and I didn't want to be with her anymore.
Okay.
I know it's my birthday weekend, we were drinking and drinking and whatnot. And I told her I didn't want to be involved with her activities. And she left me on the other side of the road.
Okay.
So ever since then, I've just been trying to get it right back towards Dayton.
Okay.
So, can you help with that?
Maybe. We'll see. Do you have your ID with you though? I'm not saying I won't.
I know you won't.
How do you know?
Because I can tell. It's not your job.
It's not my job. I get people rides back to Dayton all the time.
What do they think I'm like harassing her property or something?
Do they think?
Yeah.
The Toyota dealership called, said that they had asked you to leave and that you didn't leave at first.
That was something where I don't want to bring him. If you can't help me, sir, can I please just continue my journey?
I'm not saying that you can't, but they were concerned that you may be on something or maybe you've been drinking. Have you been drinking? Because you just told me that you guys were drinking.
I'm not on that.
That's fine.
I have to head back towards Dayton.
That's fine, but we have to ask those questions. I have to make sure you can care for yourself.
Can you take me back to school?
As long as you can care for yourself, yes, ma'am.
Can you please do that now?
I need your ID first.
Well, then I want to walk.
Okay, well, hold on.
I'm on house arrest. I don't want to violate nothing. I am very, my dad's work. I'm just want to be left alone as that's possible. So if you're not helping me,
He's under house arrest?
Or I just want to just.
But I do.
There's nothing here that's arm and dangerous.
Very good. That's perfect.
So that means if you even write my name, I don't have nothing here in this city or county. My name is Lisa Long. I'm just going to just keep walking, sir.
Well, you seem like you're stumbling a little bit. Is that normal for you?
Only because this thing is running the freak out of my leg. Okay. But sir, can I please? I'm about to just get seeing you guys. You can't help me. I'm in my feelings. Ma'am, hold on. I'm not resisting arrest. Where are you struggling with? Please don't start doing that crap. I'm not.
Wow,
I'm not
that's nice, Ron.
Please don't start doing that.
And then if
I'm
I
going to
can,
call my
I'm gonna give
attorney.
you.
Okay, I'm calling my attorney.
You're gonna call your attorney?
Yes, because
Why?
I'm not doing nothing. I'm walking, and I have the right to walk.
Okay.
So please leave me
hold
alone.
on, bear with me. I would love to help you if I can.
But
at
you
a minimum,
can't.
hold on. At a
Yes,
minimum-
I'm going through something where I'm missing my father. It's a holiday. I'm allowed to. I'm just. It has nothing to do with criminal division or traffic or your job.
Okay.
I'm going to be in and out my feelings for a while.
Okay.
If anybody feels while I'm walking that I'm threatening them, then
For those curious, this is in Greene County, Ohio.
you can do your job. But right now, I just want to be left alone. I just want to be able to scream when I want to scream. Please just let me feel how I want to feel.
Okay. I don't want to get in the way of your feelings.
You can follow me.
Hold on. So we have a complaint from the people at Lost Toyota.
But I'm just.
So
but I'll talk to the other coworker.
Okay.
I don't want anything. If you want to complain, they can file it with the lawsuit. I'm asking you.
That's not a civil matter. That's called
Yes,
disorderly.
it is.
That's called disorderly conduct.
Sir, I haven't done nothing.
That's your opinion.
No,
No, that's called disorderly conduct, lady.
You got an ankle monitor on?
Yes.
For
Can
what?
I please?
Not yet.
So she's got an ankle monitor and she's out and about.
Free to leave. You're not free to leave yet.
But what are you? What am I being charged with?
I told you at a minimum right now. I'm
They want me off
investigating
the
disorderly
property.
conduct.
Sir, can I please just vent?
Yeah, let's go.
If they feel like I'm like, y'all can watch me.
Do you have an ID on you, ma'am?
Sir, I'm not here to do nothing. I said I want a worker. I want to get back to work, and I really don't want to even expose my identity because he said they were going to fire him. They asked me to leave, and I have. It took me like 10 minutes. I'm not gonna lie. I got my tobacco.
Okay.
You can follow me back to. I have not done anything wrong. I packed.
Did you park
tobacco.
somewhere?
No, I'm walking.
You're walking? Okay.
Please just let me just go back. Right
now you're being detained. You have
Detained for what?
You have an ankle monitor on. At least
Okay, well, we can call my attorney.
Okay, that's
I
fine.
haven't brought them.
We can do that. You need to identify
Okay, well,
yourself.
until then, we can just sit over there.
Does they want to trespass?
No.
Lost Toyota.
No,
filed a
sir.
complaint, and then she was walking this way.
I'm just. I sat there and I packed my tobacco, sir. I'm leaving. Please just let me continue.
No. We're going to have to retain her, figure out who she
Okay,
is.
well, we're going to call my attorney.
That's fine. Put your hands behind your back. That's lawful order. Put your hands behind your back.
Oh no, she was out back, I was smoking, and she just approached me.
Okay.
She wanted to use my phone, so I said, no, you can use our office phone.
Okay.
I guess the boss called us to let us know they was escorting somebody else.
Okay,
I
yeah.
guess that might be her.
I saw you right here, and you kind of pushed your back out at me. So I was like, was she being asked to leave, or?
I mean, we don't want that here, you know.
I'm assuming you guys would like her to trespass.
Let me.
Yes, no, maybe.
I can't make that decision. I'll be right back.
Okay, I was gonna say I didn't know who's a manager who could potentially talk.
I'm so confused. Her car somewhere? Did she like broke down?
Apparently, she got dropped off.
You're being detained for investigatory purposes. We're figuring out who you are. You have an ankle monitor on right now. You're walking around. You seem like you're impaired. We're going to figure it out,
I
okay?
sat at the back of the thing.
That's
My
what
name
you're
is Lisa
saying.
Long. What are
Okay,
you
we're
doing
going
now?
to figure it out. We'll get you right
But they
get you
didn't-
somewhere.
if I knew I was
Are you,
gonna-
listen,
I would
listen.
never came to
My
you.
experience in 24 years of law enforcement, people don't walk around with ankle monitors on.
Sir, I have the curfew from 7 to 7.
Okay, why didn't you just tell us that then? Tell us who you are.
I didn't know what you were like.
We're going to figure it out.
Because I'm not
Do you have
even
any warrants or
being
anything?
like,
Do you have
no,
any warrants?
sir.
Okay, where are you walking from?
It's through.
I mean, we're kind of.
My cousin was
kind of
like
over
over
here.
there. She was over there serving. Over there.
She's
Like
over
on the
over.
other
Let's
side
walk
of
out.
the
Let's walk
road.
out. Okay. We're gonna figure it out. Okay.
Yeah, please don't start
Just
handcuffing
listen.
me.
Just listen. We're out here in a business district. You're walking around. I think.
He said he doesn't have that kind of stuff here, so.
Okay, the manager. Yeah. What's his name? John Patterson. John Patterson.
My
Can you
cousin
understand? Can you
started.
understand? Do you know somebody works here? Is that what your concern is?
No, I was like one block. Like I don't even know where I'm at. I'm trying to head back towards that end.
Okay.
My cousin threw me off the road on that side of the road, right? Like I was like on the other side of the road,
Can you
right?
give us your information so we can get this going?
Give me your information.
If you don't tell them your name, you're at minimum going to get charged with obstructing, okay?
I'm
So
sorry, y'all
get
just
it out of the way.
okay, that's fine. We're so Lisa, SH, whenever you want. But no, my cousin threw me over there. She was speeding. I'm like, here for that.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, I don't.
Let's get comfortable for a minute, figure out what's going
But
on.
my cousin, she was speeding. She was drinking and driving. I told her to let me out. So she let me out like another traffic light prior to this one. You know what I mean?
Where was she driving? Where you guys
We're on, I don't know.
You don't know where you're going. But you know where you're at right now?
Yeah.
Where are you at right now?
Like Dana area. Yeah.
Wanted person. Wanted person.
How much have you had to drink today?
Wanted.
I haven't really have nothing.
Well, okay. 16 in this.
Like, please don't.
We're working
I
on
was
it.
just walking my way up through.
Okay.
And then I stopped right there at the bench. The dude asked me my name, and I told him I had that top down.
Okay.
But also, I'm not drunk.
Okay.
I was just.
Listen, I've never met you before. I don't know if you're drunk.
Exactly.
Okay. But there's something going on with you.
I felt like he was like harassing me a little bit.
But here at business?
Over there on the other side, there's like a table, and I was sitting there and I was talking to someone. I wasn't doing nothing wrong.
Okay, just go take a seat for a minute, cool off, and we'll figure it out, okay?
Can I please just sit here how I was? Because I'm not being really concerned. I really want to go back to my home. I have to be at home by 7.
Okay, what time is it what time do you think it is right now?
Going on 5, at least 6. I have to go back home. I will never come back here.
I missed it. What'd she say?
She's on probation from Montgomery County and has a warrant out of Madison County.
Good luck getting hold of Montgomery County probation.
What did I do wrong on their property?
Well,
I don't know what I did wrong.
you're on their property, and they asked you to leave, and I guess you didn't
I
right away.
started talking to the other guy.
So,
I started talking to one of the coworkers.
it seemed like you're impaired on something.
No, I'm not, sir.
So they want to trespass.
Well, she's impaired.
Yeah.
I'd say she probably needs to go to jail for DC intox. She's in the middle of nowhere, and then the jail get hold of probation in the morning and let them know she's here. She's got an monitor on.
Yeah.
That's not like a plan?
Sounds like a plan to me, but what happens when they refuse her?
What, she's not that bad.
Well, last time you took somebody to the jail.
It's been a while.
We'll see. Right. We can try it. But I'm on your team on this one.
I'm out of here. You need anything?
Aside that, I did not disturb this man's business.
Right. Well,
if you pull up my second assault,
listen, we asked you what your name was many times. You wouldn't
no,
tell
y'all
us.
just pulled up on me. So, what's my charges?
We'll get you some.
Did I never not complain with you, sir? I'm walking, sir. I don't have to have a destination. My daddy is right here on my neck. I am this.
Why? What are you on house arrest for?
What?
Me and my daughter's wife. Why? You haven't exactly know that?
No,
I want to go my attorney right now.
sir.
Y'all are harassing me. I will leave this property. I'm not trespassing.
Listen, scoot on in. You're going to jail for disorderly conduct by intox.
How?
Okay,
Just like you said.
I gotta.
So you can read your Miranda rights.
Okay.
I want my,
I suggest you comply. Just listen to him until you do something.
No, I want to call my attorney right now.
Okay,
If you have the right to call your attorney, and I want to do that right now.
Okay, you're in.
No, I'm calling my
You have
attorney
the
right
right
now.
to remain
I
silent.
want to call my
Anything
attorney.
you say can will be held against you in a court of law. You have the
Remember
right to
this
talk
thing.
to a
Please
lawyer.
let me call my attorney.
And
You have the right to call your attorney. Sir, I am calling my attorney right now.
Scoot in there so we don't have to pull you in there, okay?
For what?
You're
not harassing me.
Scoot on in there.
No, I'm calling my attorney now. Don't charge me.
Listen, last thing you'll do.
I'm not being charged. I'm not. That's not
no.
I said I want to call my attorney now. No, I'm not having it on the law. You ready?
So at this point, you do not have the right to obtain an attorney or have an attorney come to you. You better get in that car.
Listen.
For what?
We already told you.
For what?
You're not even listening.
No. No, call my attorney now. Call my attorney now. She's off. Call my motherfucking attorney.
Are you going to get in
I'm
there?
on house arrest. What's up?
You going to get in there?
I'm calling my
All right, let's go.
You're on real arrest, actually.
Y'all arresting me?
It's all being recorded.
When am I? Okay.
Take a seat.
I know.
Now you got a resisting charge.
No, I'm not.
Don't kick. Don't kick. Cool. Don't kick. Don't kick.
Sir.
Keep your feet in there. You're under arrest.
Call my attorney now.
Ma'am, put your foot in there. You watch that foot. Watch that foot.
That's not house
Don't do
arrest.
it.
That's not house arrest.
Put your foot in there right now.
House arrest.
Oh, she's trying.
I ain't
You're under arrest.
I
Right now.
For what?
Get in there.
I'm calling my
Get in
attorney.
there.
I don't. I said I don't. What? You think that you follow?
Oh my God. Did they get her?
Yep.
They got her.
Call the sergeant. I will not leave. Call the sergeant.
That was the sergeant.
Hey, Ellis.
I'm not
All right, guys. What do you need me to do?
If you want to get a statement from them.
I'll do something before I leave. Before we
Boss or here? For boss. He verbally told me the manager wants a trespass from here.
Okay.
I'll do the arrest and the citation. I'll get the case started. Okay. But if you just want to get a written statement from them.
Yep, I'll get you a case supplement, Ridge.
Yeah. I'll do the use of force.
Call the sergeant! Call the sergeant! Whoever you want. Now, you ain't the right thing. Call the sergeant, bro. Call the sergeant, bro. Call the sergeant.
That was the sergeant.
Call the mother sergeant.
I'll be en route to the scene.
Now! Now! Y'all got me. Stop! Open this mother door, bitch.
Kicking.
Who called us from here?
I believe it was that.
Okay.
He's right up in this office. You'll see the stairs on.
All right, thanks.
Let me out now, little bitch.
365, 189.
Good.
You ain't got me turn on nothing.
We start towards Clay Middle School. Sheets. Electric house.
Yeah, I'm en route. I'll be right back.
Center copy. 190. Right that way.
Let's get.
Uh-oh.
Let's get. Let's go. Is you ready? You ready?
So she slipped all
Call
the way out
my
of her cuffs.
attorney. Call
She's starting to
my
slip, but she was
attorney.
hitting at the windows.
Call
Windows
my attorney. What am I being charged with?
We explained it to you.
I want the supervisor now.
That would be me, man.
Now.
Supervisor.
We already talked about it. We already talked about this.
Am I getting
Now
charged?
Man, tonight would be an awesome bingo night.
Now you're listen.
No, house arrest, bro.
Listen. Now
What?
you're making it worse.
Call
You
my
want to talk
PO.
to me or not?
Call my PO, bro.
All right, we're gonna get you back in the cuffs.
We ain't about to go to jail tonight. This don't make no sense.
Ma'am, it's going to get worse
What's
for
up?
you. You're going to get more charges.
I don't give a.
Good.
You already won
Yeah,
that.
they're getting the gloves
No, we don't
on.
have to.
My
You want
PO
to set it
now.
down.
You gonna violate my 219 code? Call my house or call my PO.
Ma'am, I strongly suggest my open.
Why are
my
you?
hands behind your back.
No, if I were you, call my
Okay,
PO.
are you listening to me?
Why didn't you call my probation officer?
Are you listening?
Why didn't you call my probation officer?
Why would we do that?
Because I need my. I'm on house arrest.
But you got new charges in Greene County.
No, I do not.
I like how she's openly admitting that she's on house arrest and she's in the middle of some Hyundai repair center.
I've never been in Greene County.
That's what you're now.
Man, let my judge handle that. I have never.
Ma'am, I need to put you. We're going to put
Hold
you
on,
in.
I'll be right back.
My probation
I
officer.
suggest that you don't fight.
So you don't want to do my judge justice system?
You're hearing what I'm
Nah,
saying? Okay, ready?
Put your hands behind your
Are
back.
you calling my judge?
Nope.
Turn around, put
Are
your
you
hands
calling
behind
my
your back.
judge,
Ma'am, I'm
Sergeant?
going to tase you.
Are you
if you have
calling
to
my
fight.
judge?
You ready?
Are you calling my judge?
Your judge.
Face that way.
Face that way.
No.
Face the other deputy.
Okay, I don't give a
Put your hands
what am I
behind your
being
back.
charged with?
Ma'am, we've explained it to you
What?
time and time again. Disorderly conduct, resistance.
Call my mother.
Are you ready?
Bro.
You're gonna have to
So
unlock
what? Okay, so you don't even give a huh?
I do.
Okay, so why aren't you working with me then?
I am. I'm trying to explain things to you. but
I'm not
you're
doing
listening.
nothing in your county.
Ma'am.
No,
We're
but
putting
I'm
your cuffs
not,
back on
sir.
you, okay?
But I'm not.
You ready?
So you don't give a
I
huh?
do care.
Put your hands behind your back.
Don't do me no resistance.
Listen, final warning. Put your hands behind your back now.
Ready? Yep. Stay where you're at. Don't fight. I will tase you. Taser, taser, taser. I will tase you.
Taser!
Oh
shit!
No.
Stop.
No.
Stop. No, I don't.
No. Okay. But what did I do? My judge gonna get me out regardless.
Put your hands.
What did I do in your county?
Ma'am.
Charge me. I don't have to do nothing if I'm not being charged. I'm not being.
Do not kick.
That taser
Do not
did
kick.
nothing.
Do not kick. Get your hands behind your back.
I'm not being charged.
Yes,
I'm not being
you are
charged.
being
for
charged.
that. What? For what? Why the f am I being charged? I'm on house arrest. I don't understand. How am I being charged if I
Cuff
don't
on that one.
house arrest?
Cuff that one first. I got this one.
Get him. Listen. Turn me around. Turn me around. Turn me around. I don't want to fight with y'all.
Nobody wants to fight.
You got me
Calm down.
charged with what?
Calm down.
What the f?
Calm down. It's
I
over.
don't understand.
Calm down. It's
I
over.
don't understand my charges.
Don't lock it yet. Don't lock it yet. They're
Just
not
turn me
hiding.
around. Please turn me off this hot ass. This hot. Turn me the f around off of this. What am I being charged with? Please.
she's got a little bitty wrists.
I understand that I'm a
on your
horse.
side, on your side.
Okay. I'm not running, bro. I am compliant. Stop. It's hot. I'm not doing that. I promise on my kid.
Stop.
Please give me up this concrete.
We need to double lock them.
Please,
Check the
at least
spacing
pull
for
me
sure and
up.
then double lock them.
Can you at least pull me up?
Ma'am, stop resisting. That's so we can get this
I'm
over
always
with.
there. Pull
Okay,
me
stop.
up.
Stop.
Burn. Pull me up.
Hold on.
I don't. Just pull me up. Hot.
There it is, two.
Alright, stand up. We're gonna go up to your knees and we're gonna stand you up.
Oh. Oh. I was never.
Do not kick. Do not fight. We're done.
Please.
We're done now.
I don't want to do this.
I know you don't. We don't want to do that, but you gotta go to jail. Sit
I'm
here.
okay with that.
She slipped him
Look
last
for
time.
what?
She's real sweaty.
What the f am I getting drunk
She's
with?
too
Stand
sweaty.
still.
Yeah.
Do you understand
My
that?
face is ugly.
Stand still.
One of the barbs is on her breast, Sarge.
You can at least wipe my face off. I got snot and I don't understand what the f I'm being charged with. Bro, I'm on probation. I don't want to. Let me sit right here. I don't know what the f I'm being charged with.
Why is she out of the car again? Because they're trying to recuff her. Because she slipped out of her cuffs in the vehicle.
Turning and kicking and punching and pulling.
Hey, get him mad.
You're not
I
listening.
told you I'm sad. I told you it was a bad night.
Okay.
But I was already in my feelings. I was already mad. I don't care about y'all because I care about me. I don't want to make y'all hard because I know that, but I'm sad.
So listen, I just want you to make it worse. Okay?
I don't want nothing. We're not saving it. Hurt so bad, bruh.
Don't kick. We're putting these on you.
I'm not refusing. I just want to go home. You're right. Your feet are so hot. Can you please get my
We're gonna get you some water here in a second.
Can you please like my face on? I feel like I'm loud. And maybe you guys feel like I'm not. But I am.
You ever tried to work this whole time?
But I don't care about y'all right now. See y'all right now. That's not disrespect. That's because my heart is hurting.
So you got some water?
I've been complaining with my probation officer.
You on probation?
I don't want my daughter to be a whore.
A little more.
Okay.
I do not see them.
I have the cuffs.
I don't want my daughter to be a whore.
That's why they wouldn't go on, because they were still double locked unless she's slipping.
Like, y'all
Alright, medics are gonna check you out, okay?
We can't post pros.
Oh, okay.
We're not supposed to.
Gotcha.
You guys pulling them out, you leave them in there.
Yeah, let me check. 1 second.
Yeah.
Just give me 1 second. Yeah.
Camera.
No, it's always on. Hey, remind me, Taser guy, do we pull probes out or just medics?
Typically us. Being that they're in a...
They're not willing or they can't pull out, so we can try. We got a tool for that?
I don't.
Luke said he might, so
that what that
she's wanting to go to the hospital, but that's only because she doesn't want to go to jail. So let's try the Taser Pro tool.
My brain hurts.
Assuming it's the table pro.
We're going to the hospital. Please let me go to the hospital. Bro, my brain hurts. I need to go to the hospital, bro.
Hold on, he's gonna pull this pro.
Like, I don't know.
Policy on how they treat tasers though. So.
Like, it was letting me go.
Hey, Devin.
She saying she wants to go to the hospital because she does drugs.
She doesn't want to go to jail.
Right, I get that, but... Right, but she said because she does drugs, it means she has to go to the hospital so she doesn't have withdrawal. So I don't know.
Drugs, like, basically HIV.
I don't know what that means.
I need to go get tested. You don't understand that part.
Probes out? I can't tell. Okay, thanks guys. Appreciate you guys. That's it.
Can I please go with you? I'm never going. I don't want my brain to feel like a fried potato.
Here, sit up. Sit up. Sit up. Stop it.
Oh, here we go. Oh, we should stop.
Hey, stop. You grab her.
You don't have me with too much.
I think we might, but we'll see.
Grab the chains.
Please send me to
Hey,
my
what's going on? That's
We are but she's going to play this for us. So 1 second.
I don't want to
go on that
take this bracelet or something.
So somebody grab the shackles. All the cuffs. And then you just pull her. Okay.
Is she passing herself out? Oh my god.
Stop kicking. Come on now, we've been through this twice.
Okay.
Hold on, we're trying to help you. It's gonna help us
sit up.
I gotta get this thing off my leg.
All right, gotta try to sit up. Okay. Get that air conditioning on.
Taser did something. You don't understand that?
There we go. Now we're in.
We're gonna keep that ready. Okay.
Yeah, little papers.
All right. Now I told him to try. Grab a handful of Good to see you.
We're done. We're done.
Appreciate you.
Oh, we're gonna give her the recap or the list of charges.
The suspect was charged with disorderly conduct and with resisting arrest here in Greene County. While awaiting court action for these charges, however, she was prosecuted in nearby Montgomery County and convicted of endangering children as a misdemeanor on August the 1st, 2024. She received 5 years probation. Now, what do you think? Have your alcohol consumption habits changed since watching police videos online?
I mean, a little bit.
Let us know in the comments below.
I will say I don't drink as much as I used to. I certainly don't drink beer as much as I used to, but that's more of like a health thing, than anything else. Like I'll drink beer on like special occasions. Or if I'm like out meeting people, but I rarely purchase beer for the house. Anyway, all right. I thought they're still en route. So, fine. And there's a little bit left. So, we'll watch this Tiki bar arrest. In Florida.
Huh?
This guy right here.
Which one?
The guy right here.
Which one? Come here.
Cop wants me. I need him to pay his tab. And I would like him to trespass.
Pay your tab.
I don't have any money.
So what did you...
That's the great way to start things off.
I'm offended of the treatment I've been treated.
I don't care about that. You got to pay your tab.
I'm insulted.
Sir, I didn't ask you.
Cam on?
Yep.
My family kills people that insult them.
I'm sorry, what? Okay. That's a little bit threatening.
My family kills them.
So you don't have money to pay your tab?
Ukrainian, Polish, German, Slovenian.
Let me get this straight. You don't have money to pay your tab? Is that what you're saying?
The city is Germany. Peaceland, Germany. I'm Jason Abraham. Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad.
We'll take care of your tab in just a minute. Let me get him out here. Let's go. Let's go.
She's the best boss she ever had.
Out.
Bye, girl.
Can you get me his tab?
You on left or right?
To the right.
What's your name, dear?
Keep walking.
Cornell?
I said keep walking.
Concessio. Hey, don't be too pushy.
Stop. You have your ID?
I do not.
What's your name?
Jason Abraham. Of Poland,
Just
Poland,
answer my question.
Germany,
What's your last name?
Slovenia, and Ukraine.
What is your last name?
I don't know why he's listing off his ethnic background as though that means anything.
Means Peacelander.
Date of birth.
Edwin said he'd knock me out, by the way. He said, I'm going to knock you out. I don't know,
Okay.
body cam on? Hold on.
2143. Let's
Edwin, get Edwin on the camera. He said he was...
Yeah, if he was around 90 years ago, he'd get his ass kicked for that kind of lineage.
2143 Mom.
Dad, Mom.
Just stand up and stop moving around.
We get all the hours. You understand?
Run one by name, please.
Knock my ass out. The manager of the restaurant.
Jason, common spelling, last name.
On a celebratory holiday. This is awful. Absolutely awful. And I'm
terrible.
Last name.
Uh-huh.
Lima, Alpha, November, Delta, Echo, Romeo.
Yeah. Don't be scared. I'm not scared. You look away. You must have been anything you've seen all day.
Jason.
She's the police. She's my best friend. I got girls on the police force in 6th grade.
Okay, champ.
I got a twin sister. She knows I got a twin sister. You don't know. She knows who I am. This is my city. This is Gotham City. We catch your ass all day. We're gonna come down your house right about 6 o'clock. Cocaine you be drinking, we be saying that shot you.
Can you stop?
He's a cocaine
Okay, more threats.
addict. Edwin of E.R. Bradley's.
All right, listen, this is what we're going to do because you want to make a show. We're going to go over here and out of the front of their restaurant. Go. Have a seat. Sit down.
I'm not sitting down. I'm not. You're going to have to tase me. I'm not sitting down like some punk. I'm the most. Look at me.
Oh, God.
I'm 120 pounds right now.
Okay.
If he bothers you, I'll knock his out.
You're
bothering. You just say he was
I
cut
don't
and
care.
then say
I'm
he was
just a woman.
120
I got 12
pounds.
sisters. And I'm not married, but I know the girl I want to marry. I've had billionaire restaurant guys trying to have sex with me. I don't with guys. I hang.
What the fuck is he saying? What the fuck is happening?
Parties, I'm the only guy, 20 girls, that's it. Always, everyone has a good time.
Jason, do you have money for this bill?
They have offended me.
I didn't ask that.
I'm suing them.
So you're going to go to county jail then?
No, I'm going to sue them.
No, you're going to pay your bill.
I'm going to sue them.
What do you guys want to do if you
Body
have to pay
cam
this bill?
charges. We got the van, man. Trespass. You're getting sued. You're getting sued. Okay. You should be like advocating for me, because you're siding with him, right? You're not saying nothing. He has the right to plead the Fifth Amendment, right? Fifth Amendment. That's all we say. We say
9/21/43. Respond. Did anything come back?
Don't leave me with him.
I'm not. Put your hand behind your back. Sit down.
Oh. Sit down. I'm violent. All right.
Sit down.
All right. You can't push me down.
Then sit down.
All right. Easy, Dave. I don't know how to sit down, dude. I can break
Do you need help?
Yeah, I do. Hold on.
Sit down.
Can you wipe my officer? Can you wipe my nose?
No.
My mustache?
No.
Look at my lips. They're almost like yours. We could kiss all day, kiss all night. Think if you will.
Yeah.
Think if you might. Edwin, you picked the wrong day to mess around with a powerful man.
Chill.
That's our body cam, Dad. Dad, you gonna love this one. Papa. Dad, you don't know how happy I am right now. Dad, you don't know how happy I'm on camera.
9/21/43.
Officer, what's your name? Concesio. Concesio. Oh, it's beautiful. Dad, Officer Concesio, she deserves a pay raise because she's taking a video.
So he is belligerent. He doesn't have money to pay his tab, and he's being aggressive in there. So.
I don't want to prosecute.
And they want to trespass. So I'm running him on 3, but.
Does he have an ID or anything?
Nope.
No ID?
Nope. And he's super.
Where's the manager?
He wanted a black shirt.
You want a black shirt?
I'm talking rap music.
Sir, can you come over and talk to me? You're the manager?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Let me just get your name really quick. What's your first name?
Edwin.
Spell it.
E-D-W-I-N.
E-D-W-I-N?
Yep.
Alright, what's going on? I mean...
Same thing. I mean, he started off, he had a couple drinks. He was way quieter than this. He started to notice random rants and stuff like that. Inside at the bar. And then he was trying to give some notes to the bartender. Bartender completely walked out of the bar. We told her not to go back. And then we approached him down there and kind of told him, you know, you could either pay your tab,
he's a
happy, or
rabbit creeper.
And he refused, started going off, same thing. We walked up the street.
Show him, they're gonna get this up.
This is where we're at.
You understand? Now let me read you your rights. You have the right to like my kiss. If you don't like my kiss, I'm gonna give you some money. If you don't like my money, I'm gonna give you a back massage, like my dad. Bruce, you don't
what
like
the
this
fuck?
One. If you don't like my back massage, I'm gonna sing you a song, like my daddy used to do to me. And he gave me up to the Klan. Mein Kampf. Bruce, you don't love this one, Mein Kampf? My daddy sold me to the Klan at a roofing company.
What is happening?
Kidnapped and tortured. No, Bruce, you don't walk away. You sold me to get kidnapped and tortured. Your only son. You lawyer. You Jewish kike. Bruce, I'm gonna kick
you. There it is.
75-year-old lawyer. No,
I was waiting for that one.
Your green pants are awesome. Go yourself. Yeah. Right? That's pretty good. That's pretty good. So a 9 out of 10. 8? That's about a 9 out of 10.
Because we can trespass him and I can get him out of here, and if he comes back tonight, we'll arrest him on the trespass, and then we'll go for that.
And if we press charges on this, there becomes a whole quarter on there, right?
Correct.
Do it.
Do it?
Yep.
Okay.
Press charges.
Okay, perfect.
Right now?
Okay, perfect. All right.
What's going on, boss man? What's going on?
Before I speak to you, let me look at you.
Before I speak to you, I'm gonna read you your rights. You're gonna stand up and go in the back of my car.
1209, 713 case.
Like that. Don't forget my badge.
Okay.
Right, man. Not easy on the genitals.
You have anything that'll poke me, stick me?
I got very special notes.
Do you have anything that's gonna poke me, stick me?
I do not. Sir.
Okay, thank you.
Are you calm?
Are you calm?
I asked you first.
No, I'm asking
Wow. You ever seen American Dad? Gamma lights. Bruce, you gonna love this one, Bruce. You know my father's the biggest real estate lawyer in the country, right?
Okay.
Oh my God.
You know why he's the biggest real estate lawyer in the country? He's the biggest real estate lawyer in the state of Florida. Oh, hand got tasers.
I feel like this guy would absolutely be like a random NPC in GTA 6.
He's getting tased. He's getting tased. Hold on, we having fun. Oh, now we having fun. Boom, 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 boom. Conchesio, I love you, baby. My twin sister, I love you too. In the car. How you doing? Espanito.
Watch your head.
Yep, easy, easy. You don't want to get hit. If you hit me on the head right now, you might not live tomorrow. You understand? You might not live. That's what I thought. Yo,
Yeah, well, let's do it really quick so we can just go back.
My dad owns a dealership. True.
1981 Palm Beach Boulevard.
Air conditioning in the car. That is torture. No air conditioning. I'm from Miami.
And you can have a reported reference to subjects at 230 several items.
Stop moving, please.
I like to dance.
I don't want you
It's a
to.
holy function. Bruce, dance is a holy function. Check it out. It is holy.
Here.
I'm just bouncing. I'm dancing.
Which cup you want first?
They once broke my wrist with the cups once. I got my wrist.
What business is that? I'm trying to find out now. Greg.
Look at the oil on my face. You know my skin's so sexy? Look at that oil. I got sexy oil. I'm Slovenian.
Take a seat, Jason.
You know Melania's Slovenian
Take a
also.
seat.
Also, Bruce, I love you, baby. That's my dad. Bruce Dale, will stay you out in the courtroom. Love you, Dad. Bye-bye.
He is facing charges of defrauding an innkeeper. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more videos like this.
Defrauding an innkeeper sounds like a law that was passed like in the 1790s. All right.
Officers respond to a call about someone's roommate completely trashing their apartment. However, the story officers uncover leads to unexpected chaos.
What the hell?
What's his name? Derek.
Where is he?
Craig, thank you for the 48 months.
What's going on, man?
What's going on?
Oh, wait, who tipped? Oh, Johnny Bravo, thank you for the $1 tip.
Derek, what's going on?
Bro, ain't nothing going on. I'm good.
No, you're not good, man.
I don't care about none of this, bro.
What's going on?
What do you think is
Talk to
going
me,
on?
man.
I'm not talking to you, bro.
Why?
I don't talk to police, bro.
Why not?
Bro, what do you mean, why not, bro? Have you been living in this world, bro? What do you mean, why not? Are you kidding me? And he really called
Oh my God.
the police, like,
Just saying. Stop. Stop acting now.
You're not gonna walk through me.
Hang on. What happened? Be sure to what the hell happened.
I'm not gonna walk through you. You the boss, huh?
You damn right. Right now I am.
Okay.
What's going on, bro?
I'm not talking to you, bro.
Okay. Do not go in that
Talk to
closet.
me, I'm good, bro.
You can stand here and talk to him then.
His girlfriend has been like, he got drunk because he found out about your shit.
That stuff. Okay. Makes more sense.
Is you slow? Is you slow?
Derek, hey, listen to me.
Better calm down, bro.
What's going on?
I'm calm. You better calm down.
I'm calm as can be.
Okay, that's cool.
Okay.
So, okay, so he found out his girl was cheating on him, And so he's currently drunk as shit and angry.
There,
Bro.
Look at the apartment, man. Look at the apartment.
I don't care about this apartment, bro.
Okay, I understand
I'm
that.
finna leave. My girlfriend, my ex-girlfriend, she was with some other dude right now.
Okay.
She said she's at her sister's house. She left her Apple Watch here. Okay. You can see the messages through her Apple Watch. Seeing all her messages, talking to all these other dudes. Okay. She said she went to the airport to pick up her friend. She went to go pick up some dude from Cleveland. She stopped sharing her location with me to go to the airport to go get her friend from Cleveland, right? Okay. She got a whole hotel with him. I see the messages talking about she want to him again, all this other stuff. What do you expect me to do?
Holy shit. This is all her stuff?
Well, this is all our stuff. You're supposed to be working on getting back together.
I get it, dude. If that's what's going on, I get it. Yeah.
So don't act like you're getting crazy, bro. Don't ever put your hands on me again.
Don't walk to. Look, listen, man.
Bro, stop talking to me. I'm talking to you.
Okay, well, listen. If I'm standing here and you're walking at me,
bro,
and you're trying to push through me,
that's my roommate. I don't know you.
Then you could ask me to move.
Okay,
you don't just push through me.
So I can go talk to my roommate.
If that's the case, if you give me respect, then I'll give you respect.
Move out the way so I can go talk to my roommate.
He doesn't want to talk right now.
His information here.
He just doesn't want to talk right now. He's scared. He told me what's going on, man, and my heart hurts me. That shit cannot be easy.
You can get my information. I'll get your information.
Jesus Christ. His girl broke up with him, and now she's with another dude right now. So the roommate says that he's been drinking all night.
Bro, I'm not drinking all night, bro.
That's what your roommate said. I didn't say
was asleep. I just woke up.
Hey,
Damn.
It's the police, man.
I'm seeing all these messages.
I get that's why you're mad. I 100% trust us. We all get it.
So what are you talking about? I'm drinking all night, bro.
That's what I'm telling you. That's what he said.
That's why I'm about to go talk to him. Y'all won't let me talk to him.
Because he doesn't want to talk to you, bud.
Okay, so it's that. I don't want to talk to y'all.
That's
Like window, like mirror smashed, TV busted, bed thrown off. Man, my man is lost his shit.
It makes sense. Jesus Christ.
What's up, man? Just so we're understanding where you guys are roommates, you guys live here?
Yeah, because look what the f you did. You think we want to be here? No, because you act like a child, so we have to come out here and deal with it because you want to act this way. But everyone else is trying to live their life. You want to act like this.
I mean, Hitchbot, he may not be hooked up for like destruction of property if it's his stuff, but it could be like, it would depend on the state, but it could be a domestic or a disorderly conduct. If the roommate's like, dude, this guy's fucking freaking me out. He's throwing shit. He's breaking shit. I don't know if he's going to hurt me or something. That could be disorderly. And if it's in the house, it could be a domestic. I understand that they're not like together. They're just roommates, but that can actually happen with roommates. Depending on the state, if the state may treat it as a domestic issue.
And then we have to come deal with it. And then you're going to be the shit with us. Jesus Christ.
Why are you working on my life?
Because I care about you. I care about everybody.
You don't know me, bro.
I don't need to know you to care.
Bro, don't lie like that, bro.
Okay, then just go in your room and be mad.
Alright, I will, bro.
So the issue is, you're going to have to sue him civilly, probably, for all this stuff. Where?
I'm waiting on my people.
Okay, so that's the issue that we're having here. Is that the problem is if he broke shit that's roommates, then we're having a different issue.
Okay, man.
Are you you're planning on leaving?
I'm leaving. What are you talking about? I'm leaving.
I'm asking.
Okay, come in real quick.
Go ahead. What do you got to act like this, man? You're sitting here acting like a child.
You put your hands on me, bro.
Don't walk towards me aggressively.
Bro, I'm not walking towards you aggressively.
If I'm standing in here, you walk towards me?
Bro, you in my apartment, bro. What are you talking about?
Look what you did to your apartment. You're acting like a freaking child here. How about you grow up? You're an adult. How old are you?
I'm old enough to be an adult.
Then act like one. Don't sit here and break all your roommate's stuff. Bro, now he's got to deal with it.
I paid for this too.
He's got to deal with it though.
I paid
it's
for
not
this
just.
too.
You're not.
He in his room.
Your actions are affecting him as much as they're affecting you.
I'm not affecting me, bro. I'm letting all my emotion out.
Is this how he normally is? Are you guys like usually really good friends? We can all understand why he's livid. We get it. Not saying his actions are okay by any means. The issue is with you guys being roommates.
He's mad at me. I don't.
Why is he mad at you?
Because
Did you say something?
No, I didn't say shit. There's something about I knew the whole time and.
Any threats like I'm gonna hurt you?
No, he just tried to knock down my door.
This door?
Like he literally, it's locked. Like he somehow banged it open, and I just kept it shut with my hand.
Who's gonna clean this up? You?
Bro, she is. Bro, she here. I'm making sure she see this, bro.
The she Derek is referring to as his girlfriend. What officers don't know is that she is just moments away from showing.
Oh
And
no!
when she does, things go completely sideways.
Oh fuck!
No.
Oh shit! Oh no!
Your actions are affecting him. You're acting like a child.
Him, bro. He good.
You should be.
So the problem is you guys live together. So stuff is kind of like mutual property. You're gonna have to sue him for everything that he broke.
Get your popcorn ready.
He was threatening her when she got home.
She's the victim. She has to be the one that wants to prosecute.
You just have to tell her if she comes here and we have to come back out because there's an issue because they're arguing, then there's a good chance she's going to get arrested and him. Obviously, right now things are tense. Until he leaves, I would say she should not be here. We're not telling her she can't.
Yeah, if she lives here, she lives here.
If she lives here and wants to come here, she can.
But if we come back out, they're both getting arrested.
If there's an issue or some sort of disorderly between them, we got to do something about it.
As the officers attempt to leave, Derek starts throwing items off the balcony.
I'm just going to tell him to not.
Oh my god.
Hey, Derek.
Bro, I thought y'all left.
Well, listen, man, you're throwing stuff outside the balcony. You can't throw stuff outside.
Bro, I'm throwing her clothes, bro.
Okay, but you can't throw her stuff outside of the balcony. Listen, you can't throw stuff outside. If you want to do stuff in here, that's on you. But dude, when you're throwing stuff outside, that's not your property.
Okay, bro. Thanks for letting me know, bro.
Still doing a ticket?
Yeah, I'm still writing one.
Okay. Here's the deal, man. You're still getting a ticket.
Okay, bro. That's cool, bro. I'm not worried about
So now we got to wait.
Wait for what?
Write out the ticket before we can leave. Now, just hang out for a second. You are right now under arrest for disorderly conduct. We're writing you a ticket. Just hang tight, okay? We tried to be cool with you, man.
Bro, I thought y'all left, bro.
We did, man, but you're throwing stuff out the window.
Hello? Bro, can you come get me? She the one who out cheating. For real, the police here, they all in my face, bro. Come get me, bro. For real.
Bro.
All right.
Hang tight.
For real, bro.
Okay, but hang tight.
Bro.
She coming?
I know,
Bro.
but we
gotta get my stuff.
Okay, but you gotta hang
100,
tight.
bro.
How much stuff are you trying to grab? Backpack full, suitcase. Do you know how much?
Bro, all my stuff right here, bro. Bro, where's the ticket? It don't take this long. It takes
Run
long to
now.
write a ticket.
He's got to write it out, man. By
Bro,
Girl.
bro, it's not just printed. Over, y'all write that in 2
Girl.
seconds, bro.
Derek's girlfriend now arrives.
What the f is wrong with
What's
you,
wrong with
Derek?
you, bro?
Oh no.
Derek, I swear to
You swear to God what, bro?
I'm gonna kill you. What the f is wrong with you?
What's that called, bro? Ain't that a violation or something? She just said she gonna kill me. That's a threat, bro. Arrest her.
Derek, get your shit.
I already got my stuff, bro. You late, bro.
Huh?
You late.
Well, get the f out.
Hold on. Stop.
Whoa, nope.
Yelling at me, bro.
You're not going anywhere, man. Just hang tight. Ma'am.
Oh my God.
Listen, I get it's stressful.
I
Please.
ain't gonna kill him. I'm not gonna kill him.
What?
I'm not gonna do nothing.
Okay, but you need to be smart first off with your choice of words, please. And then I get it is stressful, but there's a better way to handle this, okay? What you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to take him to court, okay? He obviously, because you guys live here, we kind of explained it to your roommate a little bit. You guys have shared property, so you're gonna have to take him to civil court for
No,
this.
this is my. This is all my. I'm good. I'm about to leave.
You had a good time at the airport, didn't you?
I had a good time at the airport.
Fucking hotel. Look at your laptop.
Oh shit. Oh, what the fuck? No, stay away. Okay, the cops need to get them away from each other. Oh, what? Well, yep. There it is. You dumbass.
Stop. Right now. What are you doing back? Put your hands behind your back. Do not tense up on me.
Bro, my
Relax.
arm don't bend like that, bro.
Relax.
My arm do not bend, bro. Bro, look at my right arm, bro. Don't bend like that. Bro, my arm do not bend.
Stop. Stop.
Bro, watch out, bro. Bro,
Stop. Relax.
my arm do not bend like that, bro.
I'm gonna have you. Hold on. Stop.
I will readjust the cuff. I swear to God, bro. If y'all, bro.
Stop tensing up.
Stop. Bro, my arm bend like that, bro. I'm not doing nothing, bro.
You're twisting your arm.
Bro, my arm do not bend.
Stop.
Bro,
Relax.
Bro, I have to do it myself, bro. My arm do not bend that way, bro. Bro, oh my God, bro. Bro, take these fucking my arm, bro.
And we readjust. Yes, you can.
Bro, I cannot, bro. I physically cannot move my arm, bro.
What's happening? What did I miss?
See, she came here, he grabbed the laptop, threw it at her face.
But that's an offense, bro. She said she gonna kill me. What? Y'all not arresting her? Fuck doing?
Did you guys see him throw it?
Yeah, he threw it right in front of my face.
Oh, okay. Hey, you're under arrest for domestic violence. Okay? So you're going to jail. Let's go. Nope, going to jail. Don't care. Going to jail.
Let's go.
Alright, bro, can I put some clothes on, bro? Bro, I can't put no clothes on, bro. Bro, why you grabbing me so aggressive?
Oh my god.
My god.
Bro, stop. What? Bro?
Relax.
Let's go to jail. Come on.
We told
I don't
you.
even got no shoes on.
I don't care. That's your problem.
Bro, that's alright.
Dumbass. What a dumbass.
Stop it.
Bro, get off of me.
Relax.
Bro, get off of me, bro.
Relax. Do not try and run.
I'm not trying to run.
What was that? What, you're training for a marathon?
Now you're getting another resisting charge.
Bro, I'm trying to fix my arm, bro. My arm.
Okay.
Stand up. My arm is not even on my back, bro. Look at my arm.
Relax.
Bro, oh my god, bro.
Bro, what happened to your arm? What's wrong?
Bro,
Something wrong with it?
Yeah.
All right, then I'll get you a squad.
Sit down.
I'm not playing the league,
All right,
bro.
we'll get you a squad.
Hey, his cell phone and his wallet's in your in the front. Okay, man. You guys okay?
Yeah.
Everything's one of the things.
Go ahead and jump out for me, man. You step over here for us.
He's going to quarter security. He's going to be here for like an hour.
Listen, man, are you going to be cool down there? You're not going to give us any issues?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
You get where you're at. I can't blame you.
I don't understand how she made it threat to me, but y'all arrest me.
What threat?
If you want to,
She's right there.
if you want to talk to a prosecutor about that, you can talk to him about it. It's on camera, it's recorded. But it's, from our perspective, it doesn't. You can request the footage if you want, but it doesn't.
All right, back.
That's fine.
Understand how y'all arrested me.
Because here's the thing, man. It did not sound like to us that she was meaning it. It's not like she was running towards you saying, "Yeah, I'm going to kill you."
That's domestic violence, though, for me just throwing her laptop at me.
You hit her in the face with the laptop.
She blocked it. It's on your footage.
What? No, it hit her square in the face, bro. Even if she blocked it, it's still battery.
You attempted to cause her harm.
Yeah, I'll read you. I'll read you what it said.
You know what I mean?
My
I got a question. How do you guys handle heartbreak? Please leave it in the comments, because some people take it on the chin and move on. But in this case, Derek couldn't handle having a broken...
What an idiot. Okay. All right, now we're done. We're officially done. I don't know where the hell my Raycons are. I'm very upset. Ish. I'm willing to bet you that it's not even here yet, but I'm very upset. All right. I will see you guys tomorrow. Wait. Maybe not tomorrow. Because I'll be doing that recording that video, but I'll probably see you guys on Thursday and Friday. Okay? You guys have a good rest of your night. You guys take care, and I'll see you next time. Hit that like button. Thank you for the tips and memberships. All that jazz. Thanks, guys. Bye. Bye. Wait, hold on. There you go. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching. Serana. Are you being a baby girl? You are.